am here vibing one of Jamaica's great musical son, a man with a global profile and whose portfolio continues to expand on a daily basis. His parents named him Leighton Paul Walsh, but we know him as
Walshy fire.
Walshy Fire.
Madness.
Oh, yeah, did my brother.
Good morning, teacher. Long time I reach
long time I reach you,
man.
Yeah, man. Well, everything good, sir?
So blessed. Everything blessed.
It's a blessing, man.
Yeah, man.
It's a joy.
People, the dog, don't watch it. Just know, say, yo, right now, protection, you know?
And peace. Walshy said never hear the dog
Never hear the dog yet in my life.
I guess I may have a criminal vice.
Reach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Talk to us though, my bro. Early life. Place of birth.
Yeah, man. So Malines Road.
Malines Road.
Yeah, man. Halfway tree, man. Big up everybody. If you know Halfway Tree, you know a tire shop on Malines Road. And that's all.
Okay.
And behind the tire shop is Melbourne Cricket Club.
Yes, definitely.
Right?
Definitely.
So that's like the whole family is a cricket family.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So Malines Road. And that's where the link start.
A younger brother to the great
Yeah, man.
Courtney Andrew Walsh.
Yeah, man. Honorable.
Honorable. Great man.
Yeah, man.
Where you attended school?
Well, originally Halfway Tree Primary.
And you said originally Halfway Tree Primary because you...
Because I migrated.
How young were you at the time?
Maybe 2 or 3 years old. And then forward in again.
Yeah, okay. So you left Jamaica
Right.
very young.
Right.
And you said forward in again.
Right.
When?
Right, maybe like 5 years old, 5, 6 years old, something.
And you re-enrolled into Halfway Tree Primary.
Right.
Okay. Oh, so were you ever told what was the reason for the first jump?
Yeah, man. So, you know already how the thing go. You know, mommy, I look it. So she go Connecticut, go live. And then me and my sister end up I live with grandma.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So we live with grandma till a good little while still. From what them tell me say when me like I remember saying no cell phone or there, you know, no communication, you know. So them say when I was reintroduced to my mother, I never call her mom. I call my grandmother mom.
Mom, okay, yeah, okay. You came back at about age 5?
Yeah, man.
And how long were you?
Not long, couple of years.
Yeah,
man, couple of years, and then we moved to Connecticut.
Okay, so you're full time now, migrated to the United States.
Yeah, man.
Okay, and that was just you and mommy there?
And sister. Right. Whole heap of family there though.
Okay.
But my father get 12 kids in.
Oh.
Yeah, man. So
Walshy a fire.
Connecticut.
Walshy a fire.
Enough of them born or them live.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
So Dave, Eric Jr., Tony, all of them born in Connecticut. Except Tony. Tony born in Yard. But the rest of them born in Connecticut. And then my sister Marilyn. Yeah, man. Enough of them live in Connecticut or born in Connecticut.
How old were you when you actually settled there permanently though?
Nah, I can't remember. Maybe 11? Something
11.
like that. But we never stay long, you know. One winter.
One winter?
One winter.
Cool.
That's all it took.
Oh, so question though. So you would have attended school in Connecticut?
Yeah, man.
What was it like now transitioning from the Jamaican school system to the US school system back then? Yeah.
And I think it was fun.
It was fun?
I think I had a blast.
What?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I think it was a lot of fun. My whole family was there.
Okay,
You know, snow. Like, I think it was fun to me. But my mom was
one
miserable.
winter?
Yeah, my one winter. My
so
mom
where was the next stop?
Miami.
Miami?
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Wow.
my father did move go Miami.
Okay.
So from Miami, from Desano, Miami straight.
Oh, so mom and dad were still together?
Together, yeah,
okay,
man.
Nice.
But everybody at work, you know?
Yeah, I understand.
Everybody did
how
their thing.
go. And where in Miami did you reside?
An area called Carroll City.
Carroll.
Which is, in Carroll City, you have a specific area called Norland.
Okay.
All right, so when you say Norland now, you have to big up that area there because that are like with all of the shower posse and spangler them for them kids.
Oh.
And that's how them grow.
So the ground did kind of rough.
Hot. When you talk about Miami and you talk about anything in Miami, you have to mention Norland and Carroll City because that's and Miramar. Them 3 places where it really did like turn up. But Norland specifically,
yes,
where me grow, yeah, man. That's all like you'd always see something, some kind of something at an early age.
Yeah.
And whole heap of selector come from this man. Juxifier used to live one block over.
Okay.
Richie D. You have Mikey there, Florida. English Fire, where I play Black Chiney and Prodigy.
Right.
All of them. No, I could go on for hours, man.
So music was...
Black Shadow. Say big up to Black Shadow. Black Shadow would build Buzz Rhythm. Yeah, man. Nolan.
Oh, so music was entrenched in the
Every
area
kind
as
of
well.
a sound. It's an all Jamaican community.
So sound never did it.
Yeah, man. So sound system thing around the place. You have a flea market called Carol City Flea Market.
Yeah.
And the craziest. Everything goes. Wild West. So, yeah, man. And that's when I start sell cassette.
Yeah, when I reach us yet.
Yeah.
Because the research indicates that you did some American football at some point in
American
time.
football.
So that was in a high school or college?
American baseball, I play junior high school.
Junior high? So you played baseball as well?
I play American baseball young, maybe as maybe I was like 11 or 12, to be honest. But then American football.
And then you
I
also...
never take up the cricket.
I
never take up the cricket.
You also did some track and field?
Yeah, man. Track and field was a big deal. I played tennis in college too. Yeah, but track and field was a big deal. Big deal.
Oh, so you represented your institution?
Yeah, man. Hurdles.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, man. 400 on the 200 hurdles.
Okay, cool, man.
Thing.
Adapting, adjusting to life in the United States. You said that you're basically in Music City.
Yeah, man.
But the music came further down the line because music wasn't the first thing you did in terms of earning a living.
No. No. Music was always around.
Right.
But we do everything.
Everything.
Yeah, man. I want to know what you're going to say was the first
thing. Because I think you started out as a barber.
Barber. But I want to know if you know that. At 14 years old, yeah, man, in the community, they have a little barber shop in our house.
Yeah, okay.
In Norland. A youth named Mr. Russell. And Mr. Russell have 3 pitney. And that's the music get my hair cut. And the one closest to me now, just a good guy. Good guy, man. The 3 sons were just good guys, But it's one of them barber shop, they were like, you have a table as you walk in, and you have to put your gun on the table. You have a bag of gun on the table, that, but that's how you respect the shop.
Yeah, definitely.
And you just say, because you're going to see people where you don't like in the shop, Because the community have little thing go on.
Yeah.
So you're going to see people where you say, them man there, but everybody have them gun as them enter on the table, and when you see, you just not say nothing, you just respect the shop. Like in him yard, in him house, so. But then, when 14 years old, I say, because them time, my mom was working at FPNL.
Okay.
Florida Power and Light. FPNL is about, I say, like an hour drive from where we're there, in the South Miami. And she had hitchhike to go work. So she go outside and she just point her finger until somebody pick her up.
Oh, in them times?
In them time there. Yeah, man.
Risky business.
Yeah, man. Which is madness when you think about it now.
Yeah, because I've seen some of the documentaries.
Yeah, man. When you watch any forensic files, you're like, Jaja.
I've seen.
So she got work real hard, we never had no vehicle, so she hitchhike for go work. She have to take like 2 hitchhikes sometime, and sometimes she take bus. But I did understand that we needed money at a very early age. So at 14, I just started take up a bag job, because then I work at one fast food restaurant same year, and then I start sell cassette same year.
Oh, so you were cutting hair, doing the restaurant.
Yeah, man.
And also you started now getting immersed in the music, really, selling tapes.
Correct, that is correct.
So you were getting the tapes from yard?
That is correct.
So who was your plug out here?
Peter.
Oh, from
Half Tree Arcade. Peter was the main plug,
Okay, cool.
Peter now, you see Peter's a youth where unassuming, He's just simple, and sometimes even wonder what am I do out there sometimes, Because most of the cassette man, have to have a personality.
Right.
You have to loud and Peter just normal and calm. But him did have the music, man. Him did have the music. If I dance, I keep morning time, Peter have a cassette.
Have it.
Yeah, man. And so, through me always a fly forward and forward.
Yeah.
I'm there, Mullines Road, in a halfway tree. I always link with Peter. I mean, he did have Skunk Man in the Average one car park over there, one taxi park. Who else he did have again? Of course, you have the legend Jack Sauer. If I say anything, I mean I say Jack Sauer. Also, massive plug. Let's be honest. Jack Sauer was the plug. Like nobody know have them ratings more than Jack Sauer.
Oh, okay.
Zine, because Jack Sauer actually go and record the dance. And that was the difference between Peter and Jack Sauer. Jack Sauer would go
and record it
and record the dance. Because remember, says a video man. So him have the video and him have the audio. Peter now would I just get them. So Jack Sauer now, when we think about how much hours we spend at Jack Sauer place, man. So glad though because I meet everybody.
Right.
Every artist come through.
So the
have a picture with me and Bogle.
Oh.
Where just an iconic picture. We're in a Jack Sauer studio. And it's just a link. And them time there in my par with Roses, but my Courtney was real good friends with Roses.
Okay, cool.
So I'm always in the link. So when him see me, I'm always happy to see me and I say, so I have a little zip camera.
Yeah.
I'm just start take picture. And them time that for have a camera was a big deal. Big deal. And a zip camera, cause a foreign camera, so it's a big deal. So when me like I said, take a picture every month, yo, quick.
Yeah.
So I get that night. But even Jack Sauer's son too, man, Prince Sauer, them time baby them time, man. And let me tell you something, man. Them man, they really helped me get the latest and the greatest. Because when we come back of foreign now, nobody can talk to me. And my name at the time was Cassette Freak LP.
Where the LP come from?
Leighton Paul.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, man. Everybody will know me. If you know me, y'all call me LP.
LP.
Right.
Oh, okay.
Big up to everybody who call me Walshy.
Cassette Freak LP.
Yeah, man. But anybody will know me from time, they might call me LP. LP was my first name, and also LP was my favorite song.
Oh, I was wondering, so that's why I asked you.
Yeah,
man. I was sure.
LP was my favorite song of foreign, so it just stick. Because when I go on, you remember, so the first group chat, the first dancehall message board was dancehallminded.com. Enough people don't remember dancehall minded, them know dancehall reggae. But dancehall minded was a war ground.
Yeah.
And when we discuss sound system culture, I am still LP International biggest fan on the planet. Nobody. One of the great sound owners, man. And there's so many sound owners, but when you say great, there's only like a handful. You start say Courtney singing, you start say a few.
Yeah, cause father sing
you start say a few sound owner where you say, them man, they're great. And Puma
Father Wally and
Wally are one of them, bro. Trust me, bro. Really, when they start talking about when they start talking about sound owner, handful of them great.
True.
What I say now is, man. So the cassette thing now start really feed. So say I work daytime now. I work at a restaurant till I go to school, right? Left school and take a bus go restaurant.
Oh, okay.
Work there so, and then we can catch a barber in the night.
Okay, cool.
And then night time now.
Yeah, hit it.
Remember I said no. Yeah, man. Midnight to about 4 a.m. Party I keep every night.
Oh.
And me stand up outside every dance. And I have hip hop cassette too. I have hip hop.
Okay.
I have Miami bass. Miami
bass.
So
I cater for everybody.
Miami bass is a different discussion, a different big discussion. But every man when we mentioned earlier, them also was big in Miami bass, But just true, like even Dupes, big in Miami bass. But true, it now go really translate to the audience who are listening to this.
Yeah, I understand.
Nobody not to mention it. When you interview them, them not gonna mention it. But every one of them, Miami bass was massive.
Yeah.
So we get all of the new cassette, them, every one of them. I remember Mr. Sit on it, because Jack saw them write a certain style. Start copy the style. And when you replicate the cassette, you want the people to feel like a yard.
Authentic.
Like, we're outside now, but we couldn't do this inside. And then they want to say in a yard,
True.
So, but me I get the fresh cassette, and then I have the link them a flea market. You have Money D, I sell cassette at flea market, everything. So I give them cassette, and, consignment and whatever. And we work out something.
Cool,
Yeah, man.
cool.
So I start making
Full
more
business
money with the
selling
cassette
cassettes.
thing than the restaurant and then the barbering.
Oh.
The barbering now, I still are like an intern, so nobody not too risk them fade, them neck. You know?
Yeah.
So, but the cassette thing, I start get the swag. I start get the swag for start sell cassette and how to talk, and you have to have like, you see the video with the juice man, I sell him juice and him rhyme.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And one of my biggest cassette them to this day, I don't know why still, was Metrometer versus Kilimanjaro. I don't know why that cassette.
Kilimanjaro, man.
Yeah, man. But the two sides.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, sometimes just one side.
Yeah.
But Metrometer was also massive in Miami.
Okay. You still
Sky
have,
Juice
still
was
have
massive
a copy
in
of that
Miami.
tape?
Yeah, man, of course.
Oh, yeah,
I have a room full of trunks with cassette.
Yeah?
I'm not get them. Them have to go in a museum. Like some of them cassette there, you just know, say, yo, this is going to sell. And then what you don't know is you cue up the cassette to the high part.
Naturally.
And then you say, when a man say, yo, play that for me. And it already, and you just hear, try to die. Yeah, you hear that. You hear Kilimanjaro, biggest dub, as it starts.
Yeah, definitely.
Yo, this is bad.
But definitely.
Yeah, man. So we use all the tricks,
Yeah, so you became big in the streets selling tapes. But eventually now I think you went to college.
Yeah. I sold cassette, barber, and work odd jobs till I finished high school. Shout out to North Miami Beach High School.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I go Norland and I go Carroll City, but North Miami Beach was Carroll City and Norland were them say F schools at the time.
Okay.
Yeah, man. And so a group of parents in the community say, yo, so that school in Norland, but I always have a shooting. Always have something going on. And the youth them, they just bad, man. So I say, yo, I carried them last couple of years and carried them go NMB.
Okay.
So I'm going to go good school.
Yeah.
Go good school. No, big up to Norland, man. Great school. And then I'm going to go college. I'm going to go Clark Atlanta.
Oh, okay. What did you pursue? Which course of study?
Marketing at first, which really means I don't know what I want to do.
Interesting.
Right. So marketing at that time meant you don't know what you want to do.
Right.
Right. So I tell you how them catch me. Them have a thing named open house where you go to school and you check
definitely.
it out. They keep it the same time as Freaknik.
So,
I don't know if you know about Freaknik.
yeah, man. We have seen some of
So
the
when me up on campus now, I drive around and I see everything I go and say, Mommy, I think I
guess so you want there. Naturally.
Yeah, man. So great school, 4 years,
Yes.
Clark Atlanta University, man. Great school.
And you were indirectly starting to chart your course in the music with the selling tapes.
Correct, because
you
I continue
were
to sell cassette
feeling
in college,
You're right, because you were starting to feel the music on a level now.
Right.
And whilst in college now, you started to do some radio stuff.
Yeah, man. Wow. I start with an internship, Mr. Glenn Simmons, rest in peace, yard man. Him work at WCLK Jazz Radio.
Oh, it was jazz focus.
It was jazz. But he's a yard man. Him have a little 1 hour show.
Okay.
Or 2 hour show on a Sunday. Reggae. And it have the city lock. Because Atlanta them time there, you're not going to get too much on air. So you'd have a couple people. You'd have Jason from Changes. You'd have Mighty Samson. You'd have a few people. 4 Seasons Sound. But Glenn was directly across the street from my dom.
Oh,
So
okay.
as I see him, I go in and out. I was like, I listen it and I see him. So one day I go out there, I say, yo, something I love for I have cassette, I have music, and I love for just go up on the radio with you and just watch what I go on. And them say, yeah, my internship. And I loved it so much that I ended up being an internship for the jazz. So I start work the overnight shift. Them time there where I use reel to reel. I splice reel and put in commercial and everything. And yeah, man, so jazz was the next big love for me. Dancehall and reggae first.
Yes.
Hip hop and reggae as well. Hip hop
Yeah.
was a big deal. But then jazz just sweep with everything. I just fall in love with jazz.
And so that's interesting because then that kind of tie in down the road.
Yeah, man, it makes sense down the road.
Definitely,
Yeah, man,
man, definitely, brother. So you know were, acquiring another set of skills.
Correct.
Nice.
completely out of my scope, by the way.
Definitely.
Like, I remember I said, get to youth, you know.
Right,
So
right,
we don't
right.
know, no, but jazz was a thing where man used to say, yo, man don't even respect jazz, which is crazy when I think about it. But them time there, we just not respect it.
Yeah,
And then I
yeah.
started to understand it and appreciate it and just loved it. Yeah, man.
And you mentioned Jason from Changes, so
Yeah,
he
man.
attended.
Yeah, man, him they go Georgia State.
Oh, cool. Because so with Changes now, you started playing Changes before you finish Clark Atlanta.
Not even as me reach.
Oh.
When I 18, I started playing Changes song.
Oh.
Because I was going out selling cassettes and I was outside. Remember, I said I have a family if I make money at night.
Yeah,
time, you know?
definitely.
So once me hear a dance, I keep it on. I find a way to
did
reach
it.
out there and I just sell cassette. And then eventually, man, them say, yo, come inside now, man. I go on some man. I'm inside now. I just say, yo, I have a little dancing thing I go on to, you know. So little.
Oh, cool. Huh?
Yeah. But all because of the you have to
Definitely,
perform.
yeah,
When I sell
yeah.
cassette, you know, you have to
have
move
to
like yo,
market
you have
the
to
thing, man.
yo, the dance. If it don't move you know.
You can't
sell a cassette.
True.
So me there know, you know, Matt the Dread and them dance there, and Santa Barbara and them dance there, cause 94, you know, so, you know, and them system me I keep a vibes and the man them say, yo, vibes man, and one night the MC no reach. And I say, yo, just let me talk on microphone.
Just like that?
Yeah, man, just like that. I never intended to be nothing more than, I just saw vibes. My 18 years old. Big up Ja Prince, aka Brookfinger. That man, they know, he instantly saw a vibe and was like, which is a recurring story, by the way. It's like when somebody see me, them almost instantly say, yo, you know, so we need that youth there for coming, help with the thing.
Okay, Bobby explained something similar
Yeah,
to that.
man,
Also,
Bobby
we'll
was
get
the same
around to
thing,
that. Yeah.
and Diplo's the same thing.
Oh, cool, man.
Excalibur, same thing. Copper Shot, same thing.
Easy to bad.
Yeah, we're going too far now. The man them say, yo, you know, so you could have played, if you go on top, man, I'm just go on top. But my sister, the girls, them, I watch and everything, and you know, so, all right. You know, boom, bam, and so, man, I start love it, man. So I start go every dance so changes them, man. And from that, I just start, becomes a member of Changes Sound. And then I go to Nannyville and meet the man them, man, and see that the sound I move, because the sound did I juggle enough, you know, that.
So Changes now was based in Atlanta, but they had a branch of the sound
The
in
original
Nannyville.
branch. Yeah,
So
man.
the Changes in Nannyville was the original branch.
Yeah, man, because Jason left yard and go school, go college.
Oh, so him
man.
established
Yeah,
a
man.
branch.
Right,
Okay.
right.
I
But
had,
Changes
in
had
my
gone
head, I have
before.
it the other way around, you know.
No, Changes had gone before
cool,
foreign.
Cool.
Yeah, man. And like I said, I meet the man, you know, DC, big up DC, Changes. Still there in Nannyville and I go on, you know. And them still a juggle same way, man. But them time these Changes was a wicked juggling song.
And as I said that, in Atlanta, which were the big sounds in Atlanta at the time?
So many, man. Godfather sound, Oneness sound, Militant, Prophecy. So many. I try to remember. Sorry if I forget any song.
And Changes now, was it primarily a juggling sound or was it a war machine?
Juggling. But remember, I said them time there.
From sound string up.
From two sound in
and
Ireland.
you have dubs. Things are happening.
It will end up a war.
True.
Every time.
That's so true.
So that's how I end up. The first clash we ever do was with against Nasheen Fire. And he might play Capricorn. He might play Capricorn song. And that was, man, me and Nasheen have to be, me and Nasheen were children, bro.
Yeah.
I think me and Nasheen are 18 years old them time. We're
Okay,
young.
cool, man.
We're young. Him, they just moved from Brooklyn, I think,
Okay.
to Atlanta. We're
Who
young,
in the clash?
Changes.
Changes in the
100%.
clash.
Changes it already a lead in the city.
Okay, cool.
You know, with no disrespect to Nasheen and Capricorn, but that night there, Capricorn was a new sound in the place. You know?
So you make your first duppy?
Yeah, man. And the place never ram like that. So it never you know, it never like it's like it boom across the place and Capricorn still did go on with them juggling and thing, you know, but that night there shoot me a talk on, man. That night there 100% changes, man, fully. I mean, but then, you know, I know a lot of sounds don't like to talk about when they lost.
It's not the selector, they're not really fussy. They're not really fussy.
Really tight. Really. And we know selector can lie.
Yeah, definitely.
So, Or we'll say embellish.
Yeah.
We'll say embellish.
They don't love that part there.
Yeah.
So,
But with changes, the worst clash we ever lost was against a son named Rudy International. Rudy International.
based in Atlanta?
100% Atlanta. Born Atlanta. I think the man must have Yankee too, like full Atlanta sound. Which was also kind of like what I'm saying about Capricorn. Them man, they did have the place before we.
Oh, okay.
So it's like a Stone Love Gemini. Like them man, they're Gemini. Them have the place before Stone Love. And we now becomes a Stone Love. And we keep a dance, 2,000 people show up.
Right.
Me have the CSA unlocked. Me have the Caribbean Student Associations unlocked. I remember Clark Atlanta is on a campus with 3 other colleges. Morris Brown, Morehouse, and Spelman. All on one campus. It's called the AUC.
Okay.
So that means 10,000 youth, that's a 10,000 youth, that's a 10,000 youth, that's a 10,000 youth, that's a. And if them come from New York, Boston, Miami, more than likely, them in the Caribbean thing. And me take the whole of them. Me bring every one of them, go every dance.
Oh, okay.
Every dance,
Sorry.
bring them. So you end up, I see people like, I say, yo, Walshy, I move so much people, man. You know? And I was doing, and that was something that nobody else from the Caribbean was able to do at the campus level. Nobody was able to move every student organization, but I realized, say, yo, they're all organized. All we need to do is just plug into that organization and make sure them get invited. And if them stay like me, them go on go. Them go on go. Them not go see something from their culture and no one reach. Them just need to know sit to go on.
Definitely. What was the first selected name?
I think LP. LP Walsh.
LP before Mad Professor?
Mad Professor.
Well, laugh.
Because I didn't remember that until just now. Mad Professor, bro.
So it was Mad Professor,
Mad Professor
LP Walsh.
LP was the first name.
LP was the first, yeah.
When me start get popular, Ja Prince them now and some rest of man them I say, yo, the mad, because them time there, Jukesy Killer around the place.
Okay, cool.
And Firelinks a start run the place. And so, I kind of fashion my style and energy after
both of them.
The two of them.
Okay, that was going to be my next question.
And then I say, yo, the maddest thing.
Oh, okay.
Because now I stand up on speaker, now I run around the dance, and I, you
man
know,
thought big selector.
Man said, show me in a school, then I say, yo, the Mad Professor.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Yeah, man.
Cool.
Yeah, man. The name did last for a little short. It never last long.
Never last long.
Yeah. But yeah, LP Walsh was my first name.
Okay.
But them time, you know, like, me that try. Well, after changes, me that try like a solo thing, and the LP Walsh never work.
Oh, okay.
And that's why I start voice some dub. And Sean Paul, I voice the dub over Mona, you know, over Master Leon in a Mona. In our living room. And Master Lee mother walk back and forth and bag of together. And we have voice dub in the living room.
Yeah.
And me, Sean Paul, and Master Lee. My first solo dub them. And he must say LP Walsh. It's hard to say, you know, that. Yeah, he say Walshy Fire.
Oh, so
Yeah.
Sean was the person
Sean Paul.
who...
Yeah, man.
Oh,
Sean Paul
cool.
and Kappa Sean, and the man they say, yo, Walshy Fire, dog.
Oh, Kappa Sean was there at the time?
No.
Oh, so that's when you go over to Kappa Sean. Okay,
yeah.
all right.
But like, you know, it start there, so.
Yeah.
But it's cement when we start with Kappa Sean.
All it there, sir?
Yeah, it's changes.
J-Will. Did you meet J-Will in Clark, Atlanta, or
Just text him, you
in
know.
Tallahassee?
Tallahassee.
Okay, so we're not reach around this. All right, fine.
Tallahassee.
So the show with J-Will was when you were pursuing your journalism degree.
Yeah, graduate school.
All right, we
still there.
We soon get out to Atlanta over there though.
Yeah,
so
man.
changes
Around the place.
Biggest.
Biggest sound in Atlanta. Every dance we keep, you gotta see Stone Love changes.
Oh.
Like, so it big. A man now go just bring Stone Love. Because changes keep a dance around the corner. Him a problem.
Definitely.
So him say, yo, I bring Metro Media, changes after the on the dance. So like Weber move go Atlanta, and Weber start keep some of the biggest dancers.
Oh, I never know the Weber move to Atlanta.
I think Weber's still there Atlanta.
Okay, we don't interview Weber yet.
man.
That's a long story.
Yeah,
but
man, man. Weber's still there Atlanta, I think.
Okay.
And them time the Weber, I think Weber, can't remember her name now, you know, but the wife Weber have with the twins, them I keep the biggest dancer.
Oh.
Biggest dance. Because remember, Weber have the links and the respect. So when I'm on for yard, I call, when Weber I call yard sound them say, you that. Them not go around Weber. So big up Weber.
Cool.
And then Weber, they keep, biggest dance in Atlanta history ever was when Weber meeting a car accident, you know. And severely injured, it was in critical condition, his spine.
Oh.
Zine, and people are saying, yo, Weber now walk again, you know, Weber now do Weber now. And Weber say, eh? And Weber go through therapy and everything, man, and Weber keep a big combat dance. Bro, Weber, I stand up in the dog. Bro, when people see Weber, I stand up in the dog, everybody are crying. I say, yo, are the biggest dance. That dance did about 5,000 people.
Yeah.
To come support Weber. That's how much important Weber was in the community.
Change now, big sound. Another question. At this point in time, were you going as a Rastafarian?
Yeah, man, cause them time they like me say already, I have Capleton, I'm a favorite artist.
Oh.
Favorite artist. And you have Sizzla, you have Lucian, and you have a little energy. And I just love the energy, man. Just love it. We just love it. I mean, it was popular at the same time,
right.
too, so you can't say I follow the trend, too. But we did love the energy, we did love the discipline. Me love the music, and everything. So, yeah, man, them time they start grow relax and, yeah, man, you know. But, you know, it never mean like, you know, a clash on them thing. Like, it's still a clash, it's still a play girl song, it's still a juggle, but you just rasta.
Yeah, definitely. So, question now. When did you actually cut a year and why you cut a year? How long did you have your locks for?
All of college.
Eh?
Yeah, man, all of college. And I remember, at 21 years old, my mother begged me to do one thing.
Cut a year?
Come and start look out. Job.
Okay.
Remember now, let's be honest. Every selector I can tell you the same thing. I guarantee every single selector from in the 80s, 90s, and maybe early 2000s is going to say the same thing. Me never make the money.
Okay.
Why you left his sound? Why me never make the money? Why you left his sound? Me never make the money. Every one of them are going to say the same thing. And, you know, at that time, changes, yeah, we never make the money. We never make the money. So, you know, and that's not, we just never know if money could I make. I mean,
right.
You know, and I mean, money was being made.
Right.
We never see that side. We never get the business side of it. We just get the entertainment side of it. So I ended up getting a job at IBM.
Okay.
Which was a massive job. If anybody out there can understand.
IBM, a big company.
IBM, at that time, still a big company. But
yeah,
at
that
time, Zine, 98. You talk about biggest company in the world. It would have been like Apple, or it would have been like anything that Elon Musk is doing now. That I went, them time there. Bro, and it did a pay good too. Like,
what were you doing?
I was doing technical. I was a technical sales specialist.
Okay. Marketing.
AKA a liar. AKA me still lie.
Yeah.
Me tell lie. You call me, I'ma tell you a lie. Cause I need to get the revenue.
Definitely.
Yeah. Some of us lie. You know. And I was working on mainframe. So you have laptop, mid-range, mainframe. I was working on mainframe.
You were doing some corporate work.
Yeah, man, big. Like, I make like $250,000 a quarter.
Oh, you did stop playing the sound completely?
No, of course not.
You did still
never. But the work was.
Or
big.
was this the time that you were trying the solar thing?
No, still I play changes. Yeah, man, 98. Still I play changes sound. But me trim because mom say, yo, you get the big job. I want you really go out there and make a lot of money and do your thing. I'm just say, and true, the tears in our eyes, bro. I'm just say anything, man. You know, but the heart still I say Rasta.
Yeah.
We just appease.
Mommy.
But trust me, bro, that was the worst job I ever had in my life.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Worst job ever. Met the most money, but the worst job. You're in the
Funny.
room. Yeah, man. You were in the room with 2,000 white people, and it was like 4 black people. And the 4 we just group up and fight. Every day when something go wrong, we say, yo, these white people are crazy. And we just fight. It was one guy from Barbados, one girl from Trinidad, which is crazy, and then like I think one guy from Washington D.C. Bro, we was in that fight, fight. Cause I say, yo, the man them are the maddest thing. We never see white people before this job.
Okay.
Yard, Miami, Clark Atlanta's a black school.
Right.
I don't know white people at all. So when we start see how them go on or them deal with them one another, but I was like, yo, I can't.
You never like that.
Yeah, man. So I ended up getting fired because I helped a guy from Barbados out. And we never make him pay a whole heap of money. And my boss, the man called my boss. I said, yo, I won't tell you, I give so much thanks to that man. He you know them talking, love it, man. Wickedest accent. that man say me a whole heap of money and and just go on and beer big up. And she just, boy, we need to talk, I mean, I said, what? And she said, yo, the money I give beer big up and say you save him a whole heap of money. Why'd you do that? She was like, why'd you do that? Why would you save him money? This was an easy 100 grand. And you charge him 9 grand.
You'll be get fired for that,
bro. I get fired.
Yeah,
man, I get fired. But I never get fired. That's all, but my energy just shift.
Yeah.
I just not care no more. I just say, yo, that job, yeah.
So what was the next move after?
So what did happen now is, we do a little hustling, and we end up, me and my brethren, best friend Dagger, end up, I do some, before 9/11, Wild West, anything goes. The world was anything goes.
Yeah.
So 9/11, no, before 9/11, it's at 99, 2000, you can carry anything, go anywhere on a plane.
Yeah.
I remember I said plane, I'm the security them time there. A lot of people will not remember this, but before 9/11, the planes had almost no security. So when we go up on plane in the dog and we are stuffed with pants with ganja, the plane stink of ganja in the dog. We're not even a seal it good. The plane stink of ganja. And everybody I say, yo, look at these fucking guys, man, and we just don't care. Because that was what 9/11 was before.
Yeah.
Anyways, my brother Dagger now pick up a youth where me don't know, and him was him did I work with the police and things. So we end up in a Fulton County jail. But boy, I tell you, man, Dagger Don was one of those guys, man. One of the youth them where he'll never be replicated. Yeah, man. So anyway, me decide now as we come out of that situation, me decide say, yo, I have to figure something else out. And then my brother him I say, yo, what did I tell her? I say, and I think if you apply for a graduate school team, I think you'd get it, because they might give you X amount of money and scholarship. I say, I'm just apply. 2 twos, straight through, full scholarship.
Oh,
I was shocked. And then through, me did I play WCLK Jazz Radio. My sister them have a radio program.
Oh, okay.
Under the journalism. So journalism did have TV, film, radio. I say, yo, I'm going to do radio. And them say, we need more people to do radio, come. So I got a full scholarship at FAMU.
Okay.
Florida A&M University. And I just, I bridge them, drive up, pack up my thing them, and we just drive, go straight. I'm going to sleep on my bridge them coach for like 6 months until we figure it out.
Right.
Yeah, man. Best bridges ever, man. Big up to Oscar, big up to OJ, big up to Steve, big up to Prince, big up to all of them, man. Best youths ever, man.
So this is where you met J Will.
Yeah, so my leave changes now.
Okay.
Because I realize no money never really run, and also changes is an Atlanta song.
Right.
So we left, best brethren still, bro. Let me tell you, say, yo, shout out to Jason Skywalker, big up to all of you, then we play changes to this day. Big up to Ja Prince, big up to Philip 5, the whole crew. But Dagger Don gets murdered, and I decide, yo, I go to Florida. Yeah, man, I'm done. I go to Florida and get serious. And I decide to meet J Will. And I decide to start the solo thing.
Alright, so question, because with changes in it, I know you're supple. You never come home one at a time and end up play changes for a bit.
In Miami?
No, in Jamaica. Because I think
Yeah,
you
man,
came...
yeah, no, me that spend the summer.
So it was a summer thing?
Yeah, me that spend the summer there.
Okay, because I think, based on the research, you came home to kind of provide care for your grandfather at a point in time.
Meadowbrook.
So that was before Tallahassee?
That was before
Tallahassee.
Tallahassee.
Right. So, that me I try to figure out.
No, you're right. That was before Tallahassee, after Atlanta. Yes.
Right.
There was a short window.
Right.
That said, 98 me graduate, 99 me go IBM, 2000, 2001, 2002. So those 2 years.
Right.
Me that figure it out. And me go yard, and I deso in that little stint there.
Copper shot coming in.
Copper shot.
All right. So so watch it out. So you came home.
Yes.
So you were treating with your granddad.
Right, my grandfather.
See? And I think you were playing changes.
Yes.
For a bit.
Yes, no, I play changes.
Yeah, play changes.
Yeah, man, I play changes. Yeah,
so how the link now with Copper Shot come
So
about?
boom, changes it have a dance. Cause changes was a juggling sound. We get enough work.
Okay.
Uptown, especially changes was even though changes not come from Uptown them get enough work. And them play at Peppers all the time. And enough Uptown people they go Peppers.
Okay.
He was a resident DJ at Peppers.
Okay.
So now him get a dance in one backyard, Uptown backyard. Can't remember which part. But the dance was Changes and Essence.
Essence.
And you remember who I play Essence?
Uptown.
Super Hype. Super Hype I play Essence. No, me know Copper Sean through when him forward go Atlanta, Changes and Copper Shot would I play, and also we have, me and Sean Paul becomes really good friends because him just in at the link.
Right,
Everybody's
right,
a small
right.
link. The dancer, bro. Let me tell you, say like Mad Professor was the thing at that time, bro. Let me tell you something, bro. The way I'm gonna mash up the dancer, like a moment for me, bro. Because honestly, I deal with that dancer wicked. And we end up a clash little bit at the end with Essence and mash him up, bro. Mash up Super Hype. Mash him up. I think he left his sound after that night.
Oh, yeah?
Man, I think he left his sound after that.
You beat him off his
Yeah,
sound,
man, but the juggling when we get him. All him I say, yo, we never see nobody a foreign come down, come mash up the place. Because obviously them can't see me a foreign. Which was to my advantage. Because them time the hip-hop thing are go on, Jay-Z, biggest, every record where you drop hip-hop, you should get forward. And them time they have the record with Dupsa make, with the remix them. Remember I say must press up white label. And me and Dupsa link from them time. And also, that's why I also did a link with Copper Sean, because Copper Sean I say, yo, when you go back to Miami, link Dupes for me and get a couple of the remix.
So you link with Dupes before
Bobby Chin. Before Bobby Chin.
Black Chiney days.
He might play rhythm style.
Rhythms, yeah.
He might play rhythm style song. He might Lee. I play rhythm style song. And he might make the remix them. Zine.
Mad.
And he might press the remix them and a
Life is a
bootleg
funny
white label.
together.
Yeah, man. And me tell you something else what people need to know. You see, Dupes and Willie Chin are living at one of the worst ghetto them in Miami.
Yeah.
I just see him now. Them man they living at in some of the worst. Get them in one place called Naranja.
Yeah.
In the
it's so
South
rough.
Miami. Yeah, Naranja mean orange.
Yeah, that's it name, as I say.
Yeah, Naranja mean orange in Spanish. It's way south in Homestead, Florida. It's like one of the war zone them in South Florida. That's where the man they come from. Dupes and Willie. So when the man tell me if you come check him, I drive and you start touch certain corner. Me come from ghetto,
Right.
I get to the worst.
Right.
So you start touch certain corner and you say, yo, one way in, one way out.
Start
beer,
observing
you start thinking, I see China. But when we go in there now, there's a song called King Alpha from Bahamas. First time I go check him. And him I leave. I go in at the house and I say, Dupes, so I go and go like to make the link and we'll buy a couple remix from me and thing. And we just start reasoning. I think because he saw that I was from the ghetto too, Miami ghetto, there was like a instant, like, yo, you understand the struggle.
Right.
And him just give me the song there for free.
Oh.
Him give me a CD and a couple record full of remixes for free. Just because I say, yo, bro, my sister, where you come from, I want you to reach where you want to reach.
Right.
I'm going to rate him for that. So I knew Dupes before, and them time the Willie is a little youth, and he was fat. And that's why his name is Willie. His real name is not Willie. His nickname was Free Willie, the whale.
Oh.
And that's how him get the name Willie Chin. Because you know them last name on a Chiney.
Right, yeah, definitely.
Right? But Willie is just a fat, he was fat youth, kid. So they used to call him Free Willie. Because of the movie.
Willie Chin.
Yeah, the whale. So we meet Willie Chin now. But Willie Chin now do not with music, him just there on the house.
Right.
And them time the Dupsa run Miami with rhythm style, you know, run it, man. So now me and Kappa Sean a link because I gave him some of the remix them where, and Kappa Sean I met remix too, and so the link start, you know. But that night, you know, Kappa Sean brought Excalibur sound. Excalibur did a link, and then bring them to the dance there. And the two of them say, yo, bro, the way all the man I deal with the place, dog, ja. And it's like, the two of them I say, it's like the two of them are...
Excalibur is a Trinidad
song. I mean, you have this Excalibur from Waterhouse, you know, originally.
Okay.
But this was a Trinidad song that never know about the song from Kingston. And the man I say, yo, it's like the two of them, I try get me to play them song.
Okay.
So some questions start come up on me. You know, sometimes I'm embarrassed to answer certain questions. I say, how much I get paid? And I said, Jano.
Yeah.
Why? You know what I'm saying? Nah, I make the money, you know, dog. And the man say, Kappa Sean say, here we go. If you play the song, I can get a job with my mom because my mom runs a wedding business. And you can go to the wedding, set up, string up everything when you say, we're there, fix up light and chair and everything, and you just stay there the whole day, and then you pull it down. And you'll get, well, I want to say $100 a day, something like that. It's nice, bro. At that time, $100 a day.
Nice.
Ain't that a struggle then? I say, yo, bro, easy. And I left changes just like that.
Oh.
Yeah, man. But it did a brew. Because I said, John, me and Jack Prince, I said, bro, man, we just want to buy a couple things, you know, we can't buy nothing.
Can't buy nothing.
Yeah, man. And the Jamaica was even less money.
Yeah, I can imagine.
So, yeah, man. I mean, honestly, me and Jack Prince, we got paid in food for years. Waffle House. So anyway, I start play changes. I start play couple shots sound now. I'm gonna start see the uptown part of the thing. Because remember now, I never really see the uptown part of the thing. Right. And uptown never really take to me at first. Because them see say me, like, them can smell it. And say, this guy is just light skinned. You can't fool us. Cause, you know, the brown thing could have get you like through the first door. Yeah. But then the rest of the door, them lock up because they must say, you don't go school with me.
Yeah.
Him go Campion, him go Hillel, and they must say, yo, no, lock the door upon him. And so it go, you know. The brown thing get you through the first door, though. Yeah, man, the first door. If you're black, you not get you the first door, you know. The brown thing get me through the first door, and then, but Sean was really like, yo, Sean, man, big up Kappa Sean. Kappa Sean was really like, yo, well, make sure the people them know that youth here. Because they know say me did have the hip hop thing. Nobody had it more than me. So then, Jason, the MC, Jigsaw.
I think Ian was there as well.
Ian was there. Ian now was the one with Clash Matteron.
Okay.
And then left go London.
I think Mark Chin was also on the song.
Mark Chin and me start roll now.
Okay.
So Sean and Jason, I play one.
Maggie did solo at the time?
Maggie did solo at the time.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, man, Maggie did solo at the time. And really did love Kappa Shot sound. Them always a big up Kappa Shot sound.
Okay.
So them two play one place and then me and Mark Chin play somewhere else. And you'd have a next youth named Danny.
Okay.
And me and Danny sometimes play somewhere else. And maybe Mark Chin would have played with they are using Small Vice.
Okay.
Yeah, man, live at Tampa now. Small Vice or Ian would go with Mark Chin. But me and Danny was really a team.
Okay.
Like unbelievable. I start call him Danny Metro.
Yeah.
Him just play like him just have an old energy.
Right.
And I say, yo, Metro Media if you play on a dog. Boss, man. And then me and Mark Chin end up becomes like a solid team.
Okay.
Right?
So you do whole heap of work and I look a Kappa Shot run them, man.
In other time, the Kappa Shot I play everywhere, dog. Them I play ghetto dance and them I play uptown dance. Rare. Very rare. Kappa Shot I play the highest uptown dance. And then sometimes Sean I say, yo, them have a dance when I come on. And me and Sean drive going and come on and park up. One time, them I want twins one of them they get murdered. I'm say, yo, them have a nine-night dance fee, man. We go in there, bro, and I say, yo, man, never see ghetto like this. Yo, the place vexed and angry, and yo, you can feel it and you can slice it, bro. The energy was, I would just go in there and play some Luciano, some Sizzler, and nice at the place, and I feel good about the dancing, man, and gunshot bust like crazy. Cause them time the Sizzler really run the place.
Yeah, man, yeah, definitely.
Sizzler really run the place, and so yeah, I'm gonna play couple shot for the 2 year them and then, but true, me and Excalibur always a link now.
Okay.
Because the family, the crew, when me decide to, my grandfather died.
Okay.
And then I say, yo, my leave, my forward. Coming down a really reason. I just him and I take care of. So I just me and him in the house, I take care of him. So now I say, all right, my forward, Florida. And then when we forward Florida now, I guess I'm get the
Excalibur.
no. That's some start the journalism thing.
Okay.
Right.
Question. Because I see somewhere, well, I heard somewhere where there were plans afoot to establish a branch of Copper Shot in Miami.
And I didn't like that idea.
Ah.
I didn't like it. I thought the brand should stay a Jamaican brand. I was 100% down to play Copper Shot for my life.
Okay.
Love the song.
Okay.
Love the crew.
Cool.
Nero P.
Cool,
Yo, you're
cool.
there with some man with just joy, bro. The whole crew just joyful. And yeah, you make a little money too. And yo, you get the full spectrum of dances.
Right.
You clash every now and then, juggle every now and then, uptown every now and then. I get everything. That song was a well-rounded song.
And as I said, clash. You were involved in any clashes?
No,
during the Copper Shot
I
days?
wasn't there. I wasn't there the night that them clash matter on. Oh no,
Okay.
sorry, Kareem.
Okay.
Kareem that night. I think
Kareem.
it was Ian.
Okay, cool.
That night there. And that was a heartbreaking loss.
Yeah.
Heartbreaking loss because Kareem, I'm a virgin.
Yeah.
And so I think Copper Shot and them I take it light.
Oh.
Because they say, I'm a virgin. I was cool, I'm a virgin, man. We just do a fun thing. And Kareem go out there and,
Dance to them.
bro, dark. Kareem get dark, stainless. The man get dark, and everybody was just like, you know, I mean, me never did it, but me can't. The energy was like, Jano Star Kareem. We never a plan for really do nothing this dark.
Well.
Cause, you know, but you know the song clash thing.
Yeah,
so you
we
live and you
do
learn,
set
you know?
up, man. Everything set up.
But yeah.
So back in America now. So that's when you went to university again.
Yes. So then we decided, say, yo, I'm gonna go Florida. And then, but so we decided to not play Copper Shot song. It should be a yard song. It should not be a two-player song. And then me linked Excalibur. Me links Doggy Slaughter.
Yeah. Before Doggy Slaughter, Changes versus Emperor.
Wow. 1996. One of the most frightening dance me ever going on in my life, man.
Freddie Dread, them rough you up.
Bro, you know how much pity the man have? Bro, all of them in the place, you know. One club called Ibex, bro. Ibex is one ghetto club. Beer gunshot. And they used to keep a Sunday night or Monday night team. Big up Diver D and big up Jason Steele, man. And our brethren, you know, that. Let me tell you, it's a Changes and Emperor because Philip Five, who managed Changes, is one of Freddie them nephew. So him, Edley Shine, them in a Freddie family. Emperor, feed them son.
So Edley Shine used to play?
No, but Edley Shine now and Philip Five are cousin.
Okay.
So like
Side.
the link was strong. Emperor I play the sound against some of the biggest sound in the world. Are these it might clash everybody.
Right.
So now when we forward up now, it's supposed to be a juggling thing. Because what Emperor used to do now is Emperor our box Changes kinda did fashion after Emperor.
Okay.
When them cut a song, them sometimes them cut too.
Yeah.
That's why I say big up Jason Steele.
Understand.
Yeah, man, that's why I say big up Jason Steele and them man, because when them a vice song, them would I say, yo, we don't want vices. And so we end up have a piece of them box in our box because them man they really at the studio for clash.
Right, definitely.
Real deal. And so Emperor was our sound, idol sound. I would say, yeah man, the man are the greatest sound. So when we go up there now, if we go juggle, we don't know what get in me and Jack Prince tonight. But we decide end of the night now, we say, you know, so we need to clash. And as much as me and Jason and Diver and the rest of the man, them a smile. Freddie Pitty them now smile, you know. And the man them take the clash, them man they take clash serious. And when the rest of the week I select a joke, you know. The man they take the clash things serious, you know, that, you know, this emperor, you know, that. And so, me even go out the dance with a kung fu suit and everything, you know, cause like me have an idea, me have a plan from the start. Yeah, man. And so now, start throw some word on in the night, them one, and Jason, I say, eh? Wrong thing to do, bro. One start clash and beer clash and clash a go on and clash a go on and clash a go on and Freddie Pitty them start fling ice. Start fling. Like, bro, you just did that juggle and it just ice a fling like you can't even say nothing too tough because ice a you duck same time you're talking, you know, dog. You know, and we just say, yo, we'll cut from that place, man, but the dance said it tense, like, and it never so serious. And at night everybody will laugh, but in that moment there, I said, yo, this is one of the worst beating we I get.
Okay.
Yeah, man, this is one of the worst beating we I get because nobody wanted us to clash. Meaning, as me and Ja Prince decide, so we're going to do it. All Jason and I said, what now do? And it's just we say, yo, man, we have some new dub. Because you know when you have new dub, you know.
Ready, man.
Brave. Yeah, man, Emperor sound, man.
Big sword.
Massive.
Big sword. Big sword. Freddie Jed and the youth, they might you know what youth Freddie Jed.
Yeah, about 40 people, man. Trust me.
What you know why, bro? So, journalism, pursuits, link up with J-Will.
Yes.
And you know, these things are very, when you learn these things, because you see where a man are forward from. You and J-Will started a video show called Pon the Hill.
Big up J-Will, visionary. You see how you are visionary right now, and trust me, people are going to talk about you for decades, many years, because what you're doing is piecing these puzzles together. Sound system culture, artist, and musician. Definitely. And you put together the pieces them and people them. All you have to do is just listen, watch every video, and you're going to start to see the story come together. Now, mind you, again, a lot of lies are told here, a lot of embellishments. But you can kind of see what happens because you'll get the two sides of the story.
So we can find the middle ground as time goes by.
And Jill was a visionary man. The man they just way ahead of the time because forget camera them time, the man. Yeah, okay, imagine. So him in a journalism school. Okay, him I do film. So link. Definitely. We're not the same class, link. And him figure out how to get the camera them from the journalism school and keep them overnight.
Yeah.
He might record everything.
Everything.
Anything we go on. Sometimes we drive, go Atlanta for the Super Bowl, and him just have a camera, and him just walk in and we're walking at the Super Bowl. Because who have over the shoulder camera them time there. Over news anchor cameras, bro.
Sure.
We walk up to the door at the Super Bowl with. And the man him say, I want the money for go inside, man. And we're up on the field, Super Bowl, Tampa, Atlanta, we're up on the field. And Jay will just have him camera like this and I'll watch the game. So Jay Will was a visionary. I have a TV show called Pon the Hill, called Tallahassee's on a Hill.
Okay,
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a small 10-mile wide place, but it depends on
a hill.
You know, Florida Nana Hills, you know. Florida Nana, it's one of the only hills. So Pon the Hill is the name of the TV show, and we just grab up I had so much experience with grabbing the CSA and organizing the Caribbean community in Atlanta. I just brought that forward to Tallahassee, which you have
crazy minds link up.
Yo, bro, let me tell you, say, art a clap, bro. Like, you're not gonna get that farmer letter again, right? So he's still my best friend to this day.
J-Will.
Yeah, man, J-Will. Because you're not gonna get the two mad people like that. Visionaries.
Visionaries is true, man.
Yo, anything J-Will say, me just trust him. Yeah, man, let's say, yeah, man, let's go.
Let's go.
If it fail, I know that's all. I know it's out of 1 in a million that it fail.
Yeah.
Because so much things we do win.
And whilst we're on the J-Will topic, so because I think J-Will was that famous interview beyond Cartel.
J. Will.
Very famous interview. I think J. Will was also
J.
instrumental
Will
in
and
that.
Carlene.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
man. Because them did have an office at 10 a.m.
Oh, that across from the Canadian Embassy.
And me just did it apart all the time. Because J. Will is my best friend. So me just did it apart. And Cartel come pick up a check from Carlene. So as in driving now, Carlene, I get the check ready, and Jay will say, yo, you know, so if you interview him, and I say, what?
Just like that.
Just like that. That's why not cheer, not there.
Right,
it's like me just
right.
kind of itch up. And him say, yo. And then me say, true, him dip on best of the best, you know, yo. And then Carlene just left the room. She in at the background, yeah. And on the spot, Carter say, yeah, man, I'm not rushing away.
Right.
One of the greatest things I've ever done.
Big man.
Yeah, man, one of the greatest things I've ever
Come
done.
see it all on your channel.
Yeah, man.
Because the first time I come across it, then I realized, oh, I watch it page this.
Yeah,
and
man.
I said, oh, but then I learn the story behind it.
Yeah, man.
And I said,
Buck up. Complete buck
Ah.
up. But then we find a little purpose because him did I play our best of the best. So it's like, yeah, we can make it.
Definitely, man. And you say, and J. Will are best friend up to this day.
Yeah, man.
Mad. So, man, they are school at our sir. I turn journalist.
Yeah, man.
See? How now the musical part of the journey picked up from out of
Okay, so
university
now I call Excalibur sound and I say, yo, make we play Excalibur sound, because that sound there, even though him there Trinidad, me not really think that was him. Me could have been Florida.
Right.
Because I did have somebody up here UK, I did have somebody at Toronto, so I say, maybe America. I am a whole heap of dub in a song.
Oh.
Start juggle around the place and we just say, oh, we have a bill all night. So we find a Trinidadian youth named Nigel who owned a very small restaurant in a house. It's like him buy the house and him just have like a storefront. And him say, yo, you know, so I could have moved the furniture. If you don't want to keep dancing, yeah, I'm going to sell my food. And I think if you have a liquor license, can have a liquor shop.
Right.
So I'm saying, yo, I'm going to move the furniture. So it start with the living room. Bro, when I tell you, instantly, this thing become a madhouse. The man say, yo, you know what I'm going to do? I knock down this wall.
Oh.
Knock down the wall. I'm saying, you know, see my move, you know.
Open up a space to
And go somewhere else and knock down every wall.
Boss of vision too.
Bro, the man knocked down every single wall in the place. And end up, I get, could have 1,000 people every Friday. And them time they charge $5 for going. Also, he ended up, the house luckily, I mean this is one of the mystic things, was on a railroad train tracks. Which means no trouble nobody.
Right.
Up on a train tracks here, warehouse. And him have a little house, train tracks. The train house zip by. Zine, which add an extra flavor to the dance. Like the dog. Yeah. So when the train are forward now, yeah, man outside, I say, hey. And hear him, and I say, pull up.
Yeah.
Zine, bro, I'll tell you something, that school there was more visionaries than even Atlanta, to be honest with you.
So you were playing Excalibur
solo.
So you started mixing now.
Right. So in Tallahassee, I learned to mix. And I learned from a song called King Apocalypse. With the Atlanta. Ja Prince did show me like 1 tree, but I did on my own now. And so you have a youth named Disco Neil and him Bridget, I can't remember him Bridget name. But then mine start showing me how to mix. And then I start learning how to mix enough. I learn how to mix enough. And then I say, you know, so I go enter one of them hip hop scratch competitions. Because them did I say, yo, if you win, you get a set of turntables.
Okay.
I said, what? Gemini turntable though. But mother say, yo, man, take it. So I just practice. I go to Disco Neil yard. Practice, scratching. End up become pretty good. I end up I win the clash. I win the turntable them. So now I have turntable can play, and we have a little place I go on, and we have the CSA lock. And then I realize, say, yo, if we play 50% reggae and 50% hip hop, the Yankee them go forward. So now the Yankee them start forward, and it just mad. No, everybody else on a Friday just say, yo, we're not even going to compete. They have a sound up there called Technic Yard. We just bring them in. Virgin Island sound. You have a next sound up there in a Tallahassee called X Factor, some little sound. But when we tell us, say, yo, we just bring in all of them. And then we end up have one clash in that club. It was me versus King Shiloh.
Okay.
Him move go Tallahassee. from, I think him come from Rochester, New York, or Queens, New York, I can't remember. Or New Rochelle, can't remember where him forward from. But him now come fly with a big New York energy. And him have a dub box, King Shiloh sound. Zane, and then a youth would just pass last week, crazy name. Him have a song called Cool Runnings at Jacksonville.
Oh, okay.
Him just passed last week, man. Bigger ranking. Bigger ranking now say, you know, so I want to keep a clash in a Tallahassee. I pay the winner $1,000 or something so. And we say, yo, I have to go another clash there, you know. So we bring the Excalibur, dub them, you know, record, you know, dub play, if I cut them. And we win the clash landslide. Like, not landslide, wicked clash.
Yeah.
But we win. And so the people them now when a Tallahassee starts say, yo, the first we ever see a champion in a Tallahassee. Because Tallahassee is a place where people just pass through.
Right.
Them go school and left. Nobody don't live there. But me there, you know, comes to be like my second year there now. And the man them say, yo, the first champion son we have in a Tallahassee, you know, we could have left here so and represent this.
Right.
So I say, yo, you know, so I stay a little extra year and boom, bam, me and Jay will just start tear down the place, man. Money start make every Friday. Where I record the TV show Pond the Hill, which was we started to redo music videos in our own funny style.
Okay,
like
cool.
mocking them. And we start do interviews. Anybody would come in at home, we do interviews. Jason used to keep house party at yard every week. He used to run boat and with us run joke, and it was a very popular TV show. And then I think Jay Will was like, yo, you know something, I left you know, bigger things.
Right.
And left and go to New York and start work for MTV. So him graduate and get the job at MTV. And when him left, me say, you know, say, I have time to move. So that same time now, I move to Miami, and me say, you know, say, I just gonna do my own thing. Not anything with Excalibur at all. But I just decide, say, I'm gonna do my own thing. And I just start, do the Sean Paul dub, and just start.
Cool.
Yeah, because them time I'm still a LP Walshy and thing. Yeah, things start now. And then I get my big bus, our dance called Stages, which everybody see the interview. Where I say, oh, I end up, I work with Bobby Chin.
Right.
True. We go to dance early before the sound string up and sit down.
Oh, okay.
And just, as the man string up the sound, we just start play. Nobody don't call me for the dance, nobody don't invite me.
You just turn up and play.
But just look it. Whenever I get the bookings, I just look it. So I go there and start playing. Bobby Chin always love early one. Rate that man, the musically. Trust me, I tell you, the proudest thing I ever see is when you have him on your shoulder.
Oh yeah?
Proud. Because I don't really know why more people aren't interested in Bobby Chin's story. Them would have really say, yo, Mataran, Fire Links on everybody, you know, but Bobby Chin is a extremely big legend, bro. You know, a legend. And there's not that many interviews from him. Maybe also him no want to do interview.
Maybe.
Bobby Chin that night saw me do the early one, which is just not play studio one.
Right.
And him say, yo, bro, I want you to play that song now. And that's exactly what happened, bro.
Alright. Pause back, Chiney. Did you ever play Excalibur in Trinidad?
Yeah, man. Because we used to go to Trinidad Carnival.
Oh,
I used to go there for the summer.
Okay.
And juggle with Slaughter. Yeah,
Cool,
man. We play all over the place, man.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
So now, Bobby Chin area invite you over upon Black Chiney.
Right.
And then
So my solo career was short.
Very short.
Very short.
Then now, big, because then time the Black Chiney are big so.
Big song.
What was your first dance?
Worst dance.
First dance was
Yeah,
your
it was
worst
the worst dance. Because remember now, the man I use laptop.
Right.
And the first man I see laptop. I have a program called Final Scratch.
Final Scratch. Right.
First time I see Final Scratch.
Final Scratch.
So Dupes now, you know, say, me and Dupes did fall out at first.
Oh yeah?
Because when Bobby Chin say, while she played the song, him bring Dupes over. And me and Dupes know each other already.
Right.
Zine. But me now, I try match the energy with Bobby Chin I bring. So I start hype up myself. And Dupes I say, yo, we know each other, but Dupes never see me play.
Right.
I'm never dead that night there, early. So I say, yo, Bobby Chin, I say, yo, you go on, man. Him say, yo, say, you're bad like him. And me say, no, man, I'm better than Bobby Chin. Worst thing I could have said.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we almost lose a job right there, so.
Yeah.
Worst thing I could have said. Dupes was so loyal to Bobby Chin. Even though we know each other.
Right.
Dupes is so loyal to Bobby Chin. When them hear that, them say, you know, so me not like that. Me not like that energy there. See? And Bobby Chin, I said, no, man, I joke about it, man.
Yeah.
Bobby Chin had the joke master there.
Definitely.
You know? He said, no, man, I joke him, I run, man. And Bobby Chin said, and Dupes was just like, all right. But him never. Me and him did have to kind of have a couple conversation and kind of move past that, you know?
Right.
And then from that, lock in. Yeah, man, till to this day. Live around the corner from me, so I always go check him.
Oh, cool. Because you and Dupes played together most of the time.
Most of the time. Dupes and then Willie Chin and Bobby would
play about 5 years together.
Yeah, man. Every single night. And me and Dupes.
But
just like how me and Mark Chin and Danny used to play.
Yeah. But before that, the first dance was the worst dance.
Yeah, man, I go solo. Them send me go in Montreal.
Oh, Canada.
I want a place called Tiffany Hall. On Ghetto Dance. Big up Night Talk Sound.
Yeah.
But the dance was, this was the kind of club where shootings used to go on regular and thing. But the reason why I say the worst dance is because I have this laptop where I never used before in my life. I never used a laptop in my life. Dance wrong. So I say worse as in...
Are you alone go?
Me alone go.
Right.
So I say worse as in singing P them do something.
Yeah, man,
Night Talk. Worse as in me never use laptop in my life. So I make sure bring my vinyl record them, but I try use a laptop. First thing, anybody out there, if you had Final Scratch, or if you had one of the early softwares, only a handful of us actually can tell this story. Me, Delano, Dupes, Willie Chin, Bobby Chin, Kappa Shan, only a few we can talk the story Maga talk.
Right.
Sound man them never used to make a string up.
Oh.
Every single sound.
Sound man and into that.
I said, we don't know what that is. Because you have a plug out thing for plug in the Final Scratch.
Right.
And every sound man I said, don't touch my sound. Every single sound man, when laptop first start, enough people don't know that struggle there. When you try convince big man, we're having big sound, when spend money upon, for make you unplug
off something.
and plug in this Final Scratch. Bro, you know how much time we get this? Man, disrespect with straight up. I say, yo, you're not a player.
You're not a player.
You're not a player. Zine, and we just either have to hold it, or me personally, if me that play solo, then we bring record. So thankfully, that night, I say, yo, I don't trust this laptop thing, you know. And the man say, you're not string up this. I don't know what is. I end up I bring a little dub box.
Yeah.
I'm a record there. And mash out the place, bro. Destroy the place. To the point where the man them say, yo, I remember say now also, same thing like Twitch did I say, you know.
Yeah.
If you are the youth on the sound, them no want to see it.
They don't want to see it for sure.
So now they must say, well, Bobby Chin there.
And
Dupes say, and the crowd I said, who him? That's why when Super Twitch said that in his interview, I said, yo, who feels it,
knows it.
Yo, trust me.
Oh, so that's a part of why the interview they resonate to
It's
them
one
so
of the
much.
best. Twitch is one of the greatest storytellers of dancehall ever, by the way. Me, him own show.
Yeah.
Him have every story. I know him keep it PG on your show.
Yeah.
Him never want to say whole heap of things. When him a talk, I said, Twitch, yeah man, decent. It get dark.
Decent.
It gets dark.
Yes.
You know? When me tell you, say, yo, that fight there is a fight where enough people not gonna know.
Yeah.
They're not gonna know it. Because that was a true fight for our people say, yo, how the hell do you get a man that's never seen a laptop before in my build sound for 30 years, and then how do you get people that have never seen you before to engage and say, yo, I'll give that you a chance? Difficult, bro. There's two difficult things happening at the same time. Me I play a laptop and nobody know me.
And you don't want to see.
Work that night, the man. Work that night, there, mash up the place. I mean, one of my biggest night accomplishments, and it was deal with that place the wicked. To the point where they said, we don't want to see Bobby Chin again.
Are you then want to Canada?
And then we end up deal with Canada. And before me it was Chipley.
Chipley?
Yeah, man. Chipley was Mr. Canada for Black Chiney.
Cool.
But then when Chipley left and decided to turn singer and doing music thing now, me end up replaced. But me and Chipley, there was like a handing of the torch. One night in Ottawa, Chipley happens to be in a place. And me I play Black Chinese sound. They say, yo, man, come work with you. Me and him mash up the place.
Nice.
And Chipley also went to North Miami Beach High School.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool, alright, cool.
And big up Shadow Fire too.
Yeah, so the names them time, I think LP, LP Walshy Fire.
Yeah, man.
And because you became Walshy Killer at one point in time.
Right. And that's really Bobby Chin them. Because they must say, yo, we need to get some, clashing and some little thing I go on. So when them start coming Walshy Killer and it just stick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So were there any more solo dances for you and Black China before you and Dope start? Whole heap.
Because enough time Dopes don't want to go. Enough time. When me and Dopes are toured Spain and Netherlands and England and Germany, when Dopes reach out, him tired, him no want to go nowhere. And him a do music. Him a produce.
Production.
Me just in the streets, strictly streets. So whole heap of dance.
Played solo a lot of time.
Almost every Canada dance was by myself. Almost all of them. Willie Chin, I work with Bobby Chin.
You became very big in Canada.
Huge. Massive.
And
Walshy
Europe,
Fire,
I think.
Black Chiney and Europe. But that was with Willie Chin.
Right, okay. So the first partnership that you had on Black China was with Dopes.
For sure.
Then it was with Willie.
Willie Chin. Because Dopes retire.
Okay,
So now Bobby I moved with Brandon Lee.
Right.
Our special care. We did have a couple young selectors. And me and Willie Chin I work.
So question. Who you had the best chemistry with?
Willie Chin.
Willie.
Yeah, man. Because Willie, I'm closer to my... Well, me and Dupes are the same age, but Willie are closer to my energy.
Okay, cool.
Because I'm the man youth, I'm jump on the place, and Willie now
Willie like
take off his headphone, and if me I climb one speaker, Willie go climb the next one. And then run come down and mix in the next song. And so Willie stay, man.
Oh, you like the energy
and
there.
the energy there, bro. Can you imagine 2 man pan speaker back and say, yo, that song I got mash up the place, and it I got mash up the place now because,
The energy, right.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Dupes are smoking cigarette and a mix and a cool youth,
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and pull it up and look around and...
You work with Bobby a lot?
Yeah, man, me and Bobby, Mr. Mix for Bobby enough too. Yeah, man, Bobby's still the greatest, man. That's why me in one of my WhatsApp group chat, man, remember you name K9 and John Gotti. Zane, we juggle, and I don't remember which one, I think John Gotti had the MC, can't remember. Sorry, guys, sorry, but brain, this dog got me. But yo, the MC for that duo, wicked. Zine, and just when him says certain things, yo, you just shock. And to me, I think that he's literally a product of Bobby Chin.
Okay,
but the things that Bobby Chin says are shocking. Shocking. Bobby Chin on the first song you ever hear upon in a dance, I talk about threesome. When nobody not talk about anything, and I talk about I've got to smuggle drugs, go on country, and him just a joke, but it's like it's like you just did it like, yo, what did he just say?
Yeah.
And now me see the selector them start kind of say some, some shocking things, and but Bobby Chin to me is the original shocking MC.
Yeah.
Shocking. When him say something, dog, you just look around and say, yo, the man really said that? Bobby Chin.
What the first Black China clash that it involved in?
Well, the one with Super Twitch, we should have never do it. We should have never do it because we never really take it serious. Everybody do them own a thing. It's it's like picture it like this: like me, I make money, you I make money, you I make money, you I make money. Who are gonna stop make money now if we go spend money?
Nobody.
That's literally what happened, by the way.
Yeah.
Zine, that's literally what happened. Is everybody I said, no, we're making money. Why would we take this clash? Twitch should really have the new energy. I come up.
Right.
So he must say, yo, I do it. And shoot Bobby Chin and my brethren say, yo, Bobby Chin love clash. Bobby Chin, I say yes. But Dupes never wanted to do that clash. And I never wanted to do that clash. And I never wanted to do that clash either because Twitch is, I would say he's my first mentor in sound system. Because when me I play Copper Shot, I don't know Twitch. I just know of Twitch, but I don't know Twitch. But Twitch and Matron forward to the dance in Miami. And them there I watch, and Twitch at the end of the dance, Twitch I say, youth, your body now. If you stop going like Firelinks, man. If you stop screaming, man.
Yeah.
Them time everybody are scream. Everybody are going like Firelinks. Everybody are, you know. But I mean, I make it sound like, but him reason with me though.
I understand.
Yeah, him sit down and reason with me, and no selector never do that. Outside of maybe Bobby Chin, no selector never sit down with me no know.
Right.
And say, you have a talent. I see what you're trying to do. I'm gonna tell you what you can do to make this thing actually make you more money and make you a better MC. Twitch was the first person, and him check in and watch and say, yeah, man, you go on good.
Cool,
that was horrible.
Definitely mentorship.
Yeah, man. Twitch was the first person to really have a side conversation with me, where it's not a hype conversation. It's not a everybody I watch conversation. It's a yo, we talk to you over here, son. And really was the first person to make me stop screaming, because I used to scream and I used to lose my voice every show.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Me and marching. I mean, a couple of shots I dance, I can't remember. But me used to lose my shit every night after the dance, man. My voice gone.
Of course.
Yeah, man. So big up. That's why I love that interview there, because man, I'm my favorite one.
Let me see you pre. You played Black Chiney for about 12 years?
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
A long time.
Long time.
Yeah, man.
What's
and all heap of things go on, you know, like when we clash with Mataran in Mandeville, me and Willie Chin.
Yeah.
Well, we never clash, but that's because Mataran didn't clash.
Right.
And we have to give thanks to Mataran, bro. And I say it in any and every interview. Mataran is the greatest.
Oh, yeah?
He's the greatest to ever do this sound system thing. And not because him spare a life that night there, he is the greatest. If him to kill it that night there, he'd still be the greatest. But he's the greatest to ever do this. He's the greatest to ever do it. And that night there, I saw the reasoning in his brain. For say, we're not gonna kill him, Utah. Because we were set up to die that night in Mandeville. Everything was you are go dead. First of all, we have to have security. I've never have
security.
sickie. I never had armed sickie. I go anywhere.
Yeah.
We have 2 gunmen security I walk around in a Mandeville. So you know me and Willie should start the dance different now, where I say, what is going on here? Why we need security with gun for going a dance? Oh, I go in a Mandeville. Boy, when we reach at the dance, man, and we see the energy. And remember now, nobody no want to see we, you know. Nobody no want to see we. They want to see Bobby Chin, they want to see dopes. And we are playing on a laptop. That night there in a Mandeville, bro. First of all, fully loaded, me see the girl with the magic tattoo upon her back. You ever see that?
No.
You never see that?
Yeah.
Bro, them time them I play Copper Shot, me and Copper Shot and them go out there, man, and we're at the front of the stage, dog, because we are fans of music. Me and Copper Shot and the crew, bro. Fans of music, bro. So we'll stay there, watch what go on, and Mataran and rinse. Mataran, yo, as a solo selector, I watch it, I say, yo, you're the greatest thing, bro. Remember, so me a Firelinks fan, you know. I'm a fan of Firelinks. I try to copy that style there. In my Juxifier. Which is really how I got my name also, by the way. Juxi Killer, I mean.
Oh, okay.
Because Bobby Chin the man start realizing I follow that style, let's say Juxi Killer.
Okay, cool. Okay.
Yeah, Juxi Killer, the real father for enough of we. See, my Firelinks as well. But I have to give the credit, bro, to when me see Mataran deal with Fully Loaded. And then me see the girl with magic face on her back. Huge. Bro.
Yeah.
I'm surprised you don't know about that.
No, we never see that yet.
Bro, are the wickedest thing me ever seen. As a you two are tried
do this
and become great. That was great. I saw greatness at its highest level. I said, yo, this girl went and got a tattoo of this guy's face for every man see. And she wasn't ugly. She looked
Yeah,
good.
yeah. She love magic.
And him bring her up on the stage and say, watch her. And him show her the tattoo and me and Sean him stand up and I said, that girl really got, I mean the tattoo's like this big of his face. And you're like, yo, this is the next level of sound system thing, bro. This guy is a rock star.
Yeah.
You know? But then me see it again in a Mandeville. Cause when the man, like Mr. Richard the dance engineer no one will plug in nut. Him a fight with him, say, yo, on not play. Promoter, a big fight I go on. Beer fight. Beer like literally argument I go on.
Right.
Zine. Finally we get for string up on. But I test out the sound and we sit down. Place Ram, bro. And I wish I could remember the name of it. It's like a deep hall. You've mentioned it here on your show before. And when you did, I said, oh, that was the name of the place.
Fairs Entertainment Center?
Entertainment Center, yes, bro. Teach. That's why you are who you are, bro. Yes. Big, empty. You know? Bro. Place ram till it can't ram no more. Black Chiney, Tony Matron. Biggest thing in a Mandeville. Ram. Matron reach out the dance. Bro, I tell everybody every time. I said, I don't think his feet touch the ground, bro.
Oh, yeah? Lift him up.
I think he floated.
Oh. Yeah.
I think he had his feet like this. And the man just
float in.
Yo, bro, me never in my life see people in awe of a selector
like that
in my life. Me never in my life see people, big man. I said, see him there, I found him. Yeah, man. You kill Black China, you know. Watch you see there.
Yeah.
Murder, you know. And the man in the crowd, I watch you and I say, see the boss, yeah.
Dead,
dead. And that beer that way I get, you know. And me and Willie Chin now, I said, no star. We will buck up in a dog. Because we don't get no prep for this. We don't have no dub for this. We don't have nothing special for this.
Not funny.
But the Mandeville people was like, no, them bring fully loaded come out.
Right.
They bring fully loaded come out Mandeville. Two big son from fully loaded. Yeah, man, them there Mandeville now. Yeah, man, this is the maddest thing. And me and the man, I said, Jeremy and Willie, I said, yo, bro, we alone there. And the man just flowed across the dance, dog. And the place just opened up like Jesus forward, you know. Everybody, I said, yo, watch your man, dog. It's like a light shine over the man head, dog, and just cloud behind him. And I said, yo, bro, I've never seen a selector turn God like this in my life. I've never seen it since. Zine. Anyway, him have to climb up on the stage because the stage high. Him climb up on the stage and him say, I just wee. And you can't tell him was like,
sure.
I like them money out there.
Yeah.
These are my guys. These are my guys.
Yeah.
Willie Chin, man. Willie Chin, my virgin. Walshy, me know from Copper Shot. Yeah, man. And him just heal we, and then him going out the corner now. And we don't know what go on, you know. So we start playing. The man turned the sound all the way down. I know Bobby Jin said it, but when I say my experience was the exact same. I mean, now let's say the name of the song.
Exclamation.
I don't, because the reason why is because I'm not sure if it was exclamation again.
Right.
I'm not sure.
Right.
Because I know the you from exclamation and I don't remember it being there. But the sound turned all the way down, bro. I mean, like, bro. But you know, when you talk, you select and you say, yo, you like your plan for the next song.
Man can't hear.
Bro. You know, you're not whisper, you know, you just talk regular. And it's just like, yo, man, play the Bounty Killer next.
And everybody
around me, I hear me. If I play Bounty Killer next, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Me hear him. Boo.
Yeah.
Boo. Man, them fold them arm, dog. And you know, fold arm thing is people don't really talk about how fold arm thing is one of the wickedest things. Wickedest thing.
Demoralize them,
bro. Even if it's one somebody, you know, you feel away. Imagine 1,000. Yo, you see this? You see this?
Yeah.
It arrests vibes. Vibes are arrested with this.
Yeah.
Man, them put them Guinness at them foot and do this. No joy. No joy in another place. Bro, 1,000 people like this. Girl, dog, everything.
Rough.
head cocked like this.
Like, what this, man?
And it's just curiosity, like, yo, what is going on up there? Sound was so low, bro. And also, we just never have, people don't want to see me.
Yeah.
That night, they didn't want to see me get killed. So now, Magic turn on now, and this place sound good, sound immaculate. And me and Willie Chin, I say, yo, when that man says something, you know, dog, I hate that for me, you know, dog, career done, you know. And me and Willie Chin, I talk, and I try to whisper, and I say, yo, bro, and I just, you know, this is the last time you're going to hear about Willie Chin and Walshy Fire ever. 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 Bro, the man take the microphone and say, here what I go on now. I'll juggle some song and make the place nice. And he acted like we weren't even there.
Yeah.
And just juggle and dance nice and place nice and place mash up. And whenever I play a 2-round, it's just a 1-round thing. And that night, then we just rate him, dog. I just rate him. I'm saying it in the interviews all the while. I just rate him that night because
Him assess the situation, man,
Yeah,
and adjust.
And him just say, the man have a career ahead of them. We're not going to do this. Because him could have end it right there, so.
Yeah.
End it right there, so. Him could have said, people, crucify them. And you see 2 cross pop up. People them would have built it quick.
Yeah.
So, you know, I've been able to say I've seen greatness at its highest level, and that is Mataran.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
You had started anything from our production at this time yet?
Really and truly, Dupsy are trying. Show me a little thing. You have a program called Acid.
Acid.
And you have a next program called Sound Forge. And I was really good at both of them.
Oh, okay.
But me, I do more remixing. So if you have said production in that sense,
right.
yeah, man.
So you're,
man,
you're doing a remix.
I show off a remix, me and Willie Chin, and then I use them Dollar Sham and I use them Just Bus from Antigua. Dollar Sham from Barbados and I use from Just Bus Antigua. We start really locking and start make remix. And with Sound Forge, you can make acapellas. And that was a big deal.
Oh, okay.
And so we start make bugger remix, man. And him start a thing called rhythmstream.com. And we start make bugger mixes on rhythmstream.com start blow up. And at that same time, you did have a youth named Audio Max. You know if you remember Audio Max?
Yeah.
With King Raj, Zine, and this was before him go jail. Him start run the place now with audio. And he did have Afflicted Yard with Peter Dean Records.
Yeah.
He might do Down Sound Records and juggling and like how you do. Him they do that with Down Sound Records.
Okay, cool.
And they'd have live radio stream and videos and everything. So now everybody, the production was like a culture. Everybody started to do something.
Right.
So me too. Yeah, I start do things.
Cool, cool. In the Black Chiney journey, apart from the man, the bad devil dance, what would you say would be the most memorable Black Chiney moment in your collection?
Oh man.
Like for whatever reason, apart from the ones you shared before, that memory stick
I mean,
with
you're
it.
talking about like massive memories, like when me and Dupes play at OVO Fest in Toronto.
Big
And this is like big deal.
big
And then the man must say, yo, we have a surprise guest, you know. Why I introduce him, why you bring him out. And I look around and Stevie Wonder.
Oh.
And you're just like, yo, this is a big moment.
And
This is a
you
big
introduced him.
Yeah, man. And I say, all right, guys, yeah, man. Big moments, man. Massive moments, bro. You know, when Dupes did produce songs for Rihanna, you know, Work, and them song that. You know, big moments, bro. When you're just there on it, you're like, yo, this is a massive moment, bro. And as far as the dances, we had so many great dances, like ATI.
Right.
Bro, ATI days was epic.
My phone thing that.
Epic. Epic, bro. Epic. And Black Chiney, I run it.
Yeah, definitely.
A dance called Stages in Miami. Hans them used to keep a dance called Plus. Jamie used to keep a dance called Naked. Yo, all of these dances were epic. Epic for Black Chiney, you know?
I know, like how you said you knew Dupes before your Black Chiney days. You also were familiar with Diplo before you
Yeah,
you
man,
went
because he used to buy Dupes remix them too.
Oh.
That's how we know him.
Cool. So how did the transition now from Black Chiney to Major Lazer occur?
Yeah, man, easy, right? Great question. I always get asked this question. Super easy, simple and short. Major Lazer had an MC called Scarrett Boy
Scarrett.
from Antigua, Bronx. Scared Boy was the man.
Okay.
Dagger in ears,
Scared.
scared. Him take him ladder and jump off, chuck off and dagger in.
And you say Antigua, man.
Antigua, man.
Eh.
Yeah, man. Scared Boy was the king of daggering. Like Marvin.
Marvin the Beast.
All right. Scared Boy, one of them.
Shelly Belly and the works.
So when daggering really a gone, Scared Boy and Major Lazer upon the floor. Big song.
On the floor.
Zin. So upon the floor is before me.
Right.
Scared Boy turns Christian.
Oh.
And that's how I joined.
Oh.
So Scared Boy and Jillionaire
Yeah.
were friends. Well, Jillionaire was a friend with Diplo, but me and Jillionaire go
Way
long before. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Me and Jillionaire go danceallminded.com.
Okay, cool.
So me,
cool.
no Jillionaire from about 95, 96.
Was Switch there when you got there?
No, Switch had already left. Switch had already left.
So Switch not forward back when you did it?
Never.
Okay.
Never.
Cool.
Switch had left, and Scared Boy and Diplo I do it solo.
Okay.
Switch had left and Jillionaire took his place, and then Jillionaire left.
So question I know though. Probably when I question, you said then I really ask a question. Was Black China still organized and a force when you left?
Yeah, man, still a go on.
So no, good answer. Next question. Was there any
Never.
bad vibe,
None.
bad blood?
Zero.
Okay.
Not even one. Like me say already, Dupes want to see you win. Bobby Chin want to see you win. Willie Chin want to see you win. So now the first night when Diplo called me and say, yo, Scared Boy just turned Christian. And I have a show tomorrow in San Francisco. And can you just MC this one show? It's not like we plan to do anything. It's just like, yo, we just need a show at tomorrow and today I'm turning Christian. And say, I'm now going to the show tomorrow. And Jillionaire and Scared Boy suggest you. Them say, yo, you for do it. And I know you. Yo, would you fly to San Francisco and we'll do this show? And I say, yeah, man. Well, first we say, oh, what the money look like, right? But, you know, because I'm white youth, you know.
Yeah,
I feel,
definitely.
you know, you always, I feel, like I said already, white people were never a part of my world. So anybody that's white, I always have them as colonizer, criminal, and, you know. So I say, yeah, how the money look? I say, yeah, man, see the money, yeah? I say, all right, yeah, man, no problem. So we go out there and Dupes them support the thing from the start, bro. Bobby Chin support the thing from the start. I mean, I still do Black Chinese dances.
Okay.
I'm still a part of that team. But I'm so blessed to be able to have a team of guys that never felt away, never. And I see that all the time on your channel. Selected them fall out because an opportunity came up and
A man frowns.
and man them frowns and I said, why, you go over there, go juggle a little bit.
You know, I just elevate, brother. Our next flight up the ladder.
Yeah, man. When I tell you, bro, I just watch this thing go from nothing to so many things.
Oh yeah.
I mean, so many things, so many
From nothing to
opportunities.
so many things.
Yeah, man, right? Like, can you imagine, bro? Copper Shot a big sound, you know. Changes a juggle go on good.
Yeah.
Excalibur was a big thing.
Yeah.
Black China was a big thing.
Big
Major Lazer
sound.
was a big thing.
Yeah.
Every single person that I've linked with has been great.
Yeah.
We're still friends to this day. Me and Dougie Slaughter are the only two people who don't really talk like that again. And I don't know why.
Okay.
I don't know why. Other than he had a lot of personal things happening at the time, back to back to back to back. Tekwe himself for a while. And we just haven't spoken since.
Okay.
And I'm sure when we do, it'll be totally fine.
Love to see you, man. Black Chiney, Copper Shot, Excalibur changes were dancehall songs.
Yes.
What was it like now moving over from being dancehall focused, dancehall centric for so long to now EDM?
Well, Black Chiney was and Copper Shot, whole heap of remix.
Well, true.
So not hardcore.
It wasn't too, okay, right, okay,
right?
right.
So you have a little step.
A little bridge.
A little bridge, right. You start see the road start build. So EDM now, Scared them did I do dancehall with the EDM.
Right.
So now all we did have to do is just kind of build that bridge a little bit more. and make it make sense. So it wasn't a far departure,
Okay.
to be honest with you. It wasn't a far departure.
How long did it take for you to feel like, yes, now, I'm comfortable with this, me and Diplo have a vibe and ready for your world?
I would say probably Red Bull clash was when I realized, say, yo, you know, so we're bad.
Yeah.
And this is not a job. This is a big thing because when we join on the floor out already.
Right.
And then we dropped Boomaye after. So I'm in the video with Boomaye and I realized, I said, yo, Boomaye is a big deal.
Yeah.
Boomaye start chop all over the world. Then we dropped Lean On.
Pon the Floor was out before you go?
Yeah, before me reach.
Original Dan was out as well?
Before me reach.
Okay, so you Lean On, Boomaye, and
Right.
Get Free
Them
was
thing
while
on
you were
mine.
there.
Yeah, man. Right? And Get Free now was like a fan favorite, but not a big song. But when we play it, people are crying.
Right.
So, Boomaye, massive song.
Massive, yes.
Lean On, insanely massive song. Light It Up with Nyla,
Light it up, yes.
massive song. Get Free, fan favorite. Zine, and then of course Pound the Floor became a massive song.
Right,
and
definitely.
Original Dawn became a massive song, and these were all songs before me, but were big. So now I'm seeing the shows, and I'm starting to go, yo, this is big. This is a big deal. 100,000 people here. 400,000 people at Puckle Pop. Then we go Cuba, and you have 500,000 people show up, and you're just like, this is a big deal. Red Bull Clash is when we say, yo, yes, sir, we're there. This is a life now.
Question.
We're there for life.
Yeah, question. The productions with Major Lazer when you got there, was the business arrangement of such where you benefited from directly from
Yeah, man.
the productions as well? Or also?
So I will say, bro, again, I know it's rare to say this on Teach Them. Sure. I don't have a single thing to say about anybody,
with money.
about any problems.
That's
Even the
rare.
people when me never make money,
Yeah.
me and them great.
They never treat you
Because
bad.
them never really make money either. Zine. So every single person along this journey has wanted to see the people around them do great and make money, and I'm one of them. Bro, I'm just so blessed because honestly, remember I said me a fool to the industry, you know.
Right.
But that's a sound man. Straight up.
Yeah.
Straight up.
Yeah.
Me know if I play a song, me know if I MC, clash a little bit, me know if I do things. Talk to the girls, me know if I do the things that my sound man do. Contracts, understanding publishing, royalties, percentages. I wasn't
at the time.
complete. So somebody could take advantage of that. Or keep me out.
Yeah.
And they didn't.
Because you would have had experience with that too, with Black China, with production.
Right,
and-
but Dope Snow was like he retired to only produce. So him lock in with production. We not get none of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't get any check
okay.
from Rihanna at all.
Oh.
But I
So
also
it was just a sound.
I also didn't want that. I was so focused on making the sound big that him being able to work with Rihanna was helping the sound get big.
Right.
So we said, all right, you do that, and we'll control this. And we'll go on the road. But Diplo was never, he always was like, bro, I know you see that there's 100,000 people out here.
Right.
So make us sit down and make
Work out the thing.
I'll figure this thing out because you know you ain't stupid. So I start to see the numbers. I start to see what we're charging and what's being made and how I can make money. Cause I'm still a hustler. So when me join
that for
Major
sure.
Lazer, no merch never I make. I'm gonna start realizing, all right, the man I'm gonna pay me this much. I'm gonna get this percentage of every show, and I'll start get some of the publishing and royalties. But boy, nobody now make no merch, you know. I'll start make some merch. So I'm start make tank top with a Boomaye. They were glow in the dark. Okay, you know, EDM,
Nice touch. That
glow in the dark thing.
The vibe there, everything.
So I'm start make
Sync up.
Boomaye shirt with glowing in the dark, and I'm start make sucker towel, scarf.
Right.
Scarf. So I'm start, so you can hold it up in that audience. I said, Major Lazer is a big. sell out. Start making tens of thousands of dollars with them. Start making a lot of money. And one of them say, yo, yeah, I love it, man. You hustle, you know? So whenever I get no stifling, and then I would say like maybe 4 years in is when they were like, yo, you should be a part owner of this.
Nice.
So very soon, because I'm gonna put so much work in everything I'm gonna do.
So
And the man them say, yo, bro, yeah. So from that, I've been a part owner, you know. So it's like a few of us that own Major Lazer. Yes, my boss. Yeah. I promise you, bro. When I tell you, it's been I cannot stop saying it's been a blessing to be able to have manifested so many great people that just continue to teach me. I learn every day, you know. So now I start to do my own things like make a book. I do that because the money I show me say, yo, bro, this music thing is just one thing.
One thing.
You need to start doing a bag of things.
As me introduce you, I say your portfolio, brother, because doing the research, we're going to talk about some things in a way. Like, we soon get around to that.
Yeah.
Zane, you now started doing some solo production work.
Right, a lot.
What was your first project?
Ooh. Well, let's start like this. Since you stuck this.
Yeah.
Let's start like this. I was doing remixes. I was putting them on Napster, them thing there.
Right.
So if that is included,
Right.
that's how it start.
Cool.
Dubs, Dollar Sham, Just Buzz, start the remixes. Then the Chronics mixtape,
What was the name of that?
Start a Fire,
Start a Fire.
was the
Start a
first
Fire.
thing I fully produced.
Then a big
Right.
foray into
Exactly.
production, brother.
But we don't know at the time. Because it's a mixtape.
I think Start a Fire is on that Wall Street curtain.
Correct. Bag of
Big.
song, whole heap of songs that just went, they had their own life. I can't believe it to this day.
You can't believe
Man,
it.
them press vinyl, and I sell the mixtape songs. the songs are dub plates. They have my name all in them. And you still see man I sing, Walshy go tell them, you're just like, damn, nobody in the business. So that was the first time I was in the studio with somebody, and I said, oh wow, this is a moment of greatness. I know it's happening because I've seen it happen before. Like I said, look, you see my turn on, and you just know you're in a moment of greatness.
Right.
And I've become very good at knowing that. Knowing this person and what's happening right now, this is a moment of absolute excellence. Grab it and just work it. So that mixtape, I did that. I just worked super hard. I'm big up to Chronics IM team, you know, Daddy Barnes, Kiki. Big up to Kamal over at Big Yard. Revised everything in a one day.
One day.
One day. But what I'm trying to say is this was the first time that I had a vision. And I saw the greatness and I said, yo, I have a vision of how this can be an insane mixtape. I mean, I made mixtape before.
Right.
But this was the first time that I was like, yo, I see that this is a little bit above everything else. And I came up, you know, we sat on with the ideas. I came with a lot of ideas. He also came with a lot of ideas. Because we had a link before that. We link at 10 a.m.
Okay.
See, remember it's at the HQ.
Right.
So we link at 10 a.m. and we sit on our reason and them time there, him just a twist him here and him have a bag of slack song and some other song, you know, like, you know, but I start realizing that's not the direction he wanted to go.
Right.
I don't think the world will ever hear those songs, by the way. All of
You
them.
have them, pan.
Yeah, I have some of them.
Yeah.
But I don't think the world will ever hear them.
Yeah.
Ever hear them. But I knew that this was a moment, so I went all my ideas, I just started moving. And it was that. It was one of the most iconic things I've ever done. But that was my first real, like, I sat down with an engineer, come on, and produced the thing. And say, yo, this will go like this, and this will go like this, and this will sound like this. And when I do the dub plate, them 5 man for going to the studio, in the booth as well, and curtain,
Right.
certain, and start, you know, and pick the rhythm them and how it sound and what's the journey. And yeah, man, that
Full
was the first thing.
production
Yeah,
mode.
man, that was the first thing that I really
Nice, man.
produced.
A big production
Yeah,
work
man.
that, bro.
It was great.
Based on what those songs have done.
Yeah, man.
And when I hear the other material from that session either, but what I've heard,
Yeah, man. Yeah, because we never put
If it be
all
your
of it.
first step,
Yeah, man.
a big step that,
Yeah,
bro.
there's enough dubs I didn't put on it.
Big
But I will
step.
say, remember now, Mr. Sell cassette.
Right.
Mr. Sell mixtape. Mr. Sell live sound clash
Right.
tape. Me know how people, me know what people them want to
Yeah.
hear.
You remember me tell you earlier when we had to off camera, I said everything that I've done in my life before now was preparation for what I'm doing now.
Right.
All the things that you were doing
Correct, 100%.
early out were preparation for where you are now,
100%.
bro G.
100%.
Yeah, man. Then I know you did work with coffee.
Right.
And
Same thing.
question,
Same
before
thing.
we take on the coffee thing, because I know you won 1 Grammy. That's with Toast. Chronic's album was nominated for Grammy, and I know Curtain is on that album. Chronology.
No, Curtain was a song where him sing before the mixtape.
Oh, before?
Curtain was out before the mixtape.
Okay.
That was like the one single he had.
Oh, so did you
just a dub
produce
plate.
any song on?
No.
No. Okay.
And that's
all
probably
right.
one of the biggest regrets I have was still questioning if I was a producer. Right? And so Diplo, I say, yo, bro, this sound mad. You for produce. And I was like, nah, man, I'm a selector. Sound man. Because at that time, everything was still segregated. Everything was like, yo, you over there, son.
Me over here, son.
And so, you know, when Dupes and them start blending, no, it was an awkward thing for say, yo, me's a producer and a selector. One or few man them used to do it. And producing was not easy at the time. It isn't easy now, but at that time it was so difficult. So I'm going to say, man, I'll be a selector. But, man, Diplo was just ahead of his time, and he was always like, yo, you should sign Chronics. You should sign Coffee. We can get them a big deal over here. You should sign them. And I was like, nah, man. I just want them to be great. Me no want...
Right.
But now I look back and I say, no, man, he was right.
Yeah.
I should have been a part of that journey.
He was right.
I should have been a part of the long journey. You know?
Yeah.
So
I agree with that. I agree. But you know, so you produce the entire LP for Coffee?
I executive produced it. Executive produced it. So basically, produced a couple songs like Throne,
Okay.
Toast with Izzy, and then she had a bunch of other demos with other producers. And we'll go in and fix what they fix and put them together, yeah.
Congratulations, man.
Yeah, man.
Grammy Award winning producer.
Yeah, man. I never won a Grammy with Major Lazer, by the way.
I find that very curious.
Yeah, man. Lean On didn't win a Grammy. But it's all good, you know?
Yeah.
We
Time
give
to come
thanks.
back, man.
Yeah, man, we give thanks.
So question now. I know you have been nominated on other occasions. What was those nominations for, if you can remember?
Oh, I mean, Major Lazer's been nominated.
Right?
Yeah, man, but we haven't won. So you have, I think K. Kalor
Okay.
was nominated. I have two nomination plaques on my yard. Can't remember which songs. But yeah.
Okay. And with your production credits, I know you have done work with Tiwa Savage, Marine. Which island Marine come from?
Martinique.
Martinique. She nice.
Yeah, man, but
Azizi Romeo.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I know you do some work with Azizi as well. Production credits, because you know we don't know all things. Who else you do work with production wise?
I mean everything Major Lazer, so that's
Right.
you know, that's gonna be a lot of names. But in the Caribbean, so many people, man. Beanie Man.
I say stuff with Alkaline, man.
Yeah,
Your
man,
page and
Alkaline,
stuff.
man. Remember, I was hosting a couple of the Vice shows.
Oh, I never know that.
Yeah, man, and one of them we interviewed Alkaline. And me and him just becomes, we just link
cool,
from there.
cool.
Alkaline, I'm a DJ, man. I produced an album with a ski guy called Be Inspired.
Okay.
It's a full album, and every song had like a hip-hop artist and a dancer artist. So
Oh, nice vibe.
that's the first time I worked with Massacre. I have a song with Massacre and Cardinal Official on the mixtape,
Okay.
on that album.
Cool.
Work with a bag of artists on that album. That was my first album I ever did. Then after that, I did my own album without collaborating with anybody called A Bang,
Okay.
right? And that was one Afrobeat artist and one Caribbean artist.
Cool.
Every song. So you have Marshall Montano and Wizkid on one song.
I need to check out these things.
Yo, bro. A Bang, still to this day, iconic album.
Yeah.
Way ahead of its time. Way ahead of its time, bro. Like I look back at that time when Afrobeats wasn't really big. I'm like, man, this album was way ahead of its time. And big up to A Bang, rest in peace. That's why I named the album after a brethren of mine that got into a car accident and passed.
Oh,
Yeah, man.
my condolences. And I was asked something earlier. Mommy and daddy are still alive?
Yeah, man. So my mom's still alive. She's 81. My dad passed maybe in 73. He died 2011.
Oh, my condolences.
Yeah, man.
How mommy doing?
Yeah, man. Great, man.
Good.
Independent
Nice.
and up and
Oh,
running.
nice, man. It's
Yeah,
a
man.
blessing
Yeah,
that
man.
my bro,
Yeah,
man.
man. Yeah, man.
Big blessing that brother, man. Majorly, because you touched on some things earlier. 100,000, 200,000, 500,000. Where is the biggest crowd?
Oh,
Yeah,
man. Yeah,
per-
Cuba
for-
for sure.
for Cuba.
Cuba for sure, man.
Havana?
Yeah, man. Havana, yeah, man. 500,000 people. 500,000 people. Maddest thing. You just see people till them drop off. They just see people you can't see them no more. Biggest show ever.
Jaja.
Yeah, man. Biggest blessing ever. And, you know, it's one of those things where, like, us being able to do that show in Cuba was such an iconic moment.
Yeah,
man.
definitely.
Such a big moment.
Political and musical
no
reasons.
band from America no go Cuba yet. And we were the first ones. But you know the reason why they make we go on is because I'm Jamaican and Jillian was from Trinidad.
Oh, cool.
And the man where run Cuba Entertainment is a yard man.
Oh,
Yeah, man. Him not speak no English.
okay.
But him last name is Powell.
Yard man.
Yeah, man. So when he see him, he was like, yeah, man. And then when him same name, say, yeah, my name is Thomas Powell, I think it was his name. And I said, yeah, man. And him said, no, my parents, or him grandparents. But him say him grow Cuba. So
Okay,
him not speak no
cool,
English.
cool.
But him say him just love Jamaica. Him say, yo, I have to make it go on.
Where are some of the out of the box places that you have gone to perform with? Because we know the regular run of the mill place where everybody go. Where are some of the places that must stand out to you for whatever reason? Like how Cuba stand out to you, where are some of the other places you have gone to work with, you know?
Ethiopia. You want to come around? Ethiopia, Uganda, Rwanda, Mali,
Man, I done the continent.
bro, Mauritius, Madagascar, Seychelles, Reunion.
Reunion Island.
Yeah, man. You know, them places up on the map, you know, in the corner.
Yeah.
Bro, I've been to 160 countries.
160 countries.
Yeah, man. You know, Haiti.
Is there anywhere that you have been to perform where, you know, you would go back there to perform any day?
All of them.
All of them.
All of them, man. Ghana. Like I said, Haiti, I long to go back there, man. Long. I can't wait to go back to Haiti. But all of them. The better question is there any place I would never want to go back to?
Where would that be?
No. Everywhere is amazing.
Fine.
Yeah, man. Everywhere is
Everywhere
amazing.
treat you well.
Yeah, man. Everywhere. Some of the most you'd never know place.
Yes.
Just say, yo, this place have a vibe.
Yeah. On a you know, more personal level now, outside of the music a little bit, because we know that you pursued a career in journalism. So your master's is in journalism.
Teach them.
Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself, man, bro. And you, I don't know which year was it, but I know it's not long ago, you published the book,
Yeah, man.
The
Last
Art
year.
of Dance. So it was last year.
Last year.
I'm saying you never walk with a copy still.
Yeah.
But people, the book is on Amazon. I have it in my car too, so I can go do the
Art
same thing.
of Dancehall.
What was the initial thought behind doing that though?
So since we used to make sell cassette, we used to get the flyer them for know where to go for sell the cassette them.
Every make a lot of sense.
Every now and then you see a flyer, yo, this bud, I'll just keep
I
it.
lock off that.
You just keep it. So like, especially like when color start coming with flyer, you say, yo, color flyer.
Nice.
Bud. I remember some color flyer, I mean one color, you know.
One color.
Yeah, you know. Green paper, you start saying, yo, that bud.
Yeah.
You know, and then eventually start see graphics and you're like, yo, that bud. I'm gonna start pat them, start, you know, start whole heap of flyers in my house. So when I start get all of the flyer them now, it's like, I guess I'm gonna start realize, yo, one day somebody's gonna be interested in this.
Interesting.
And I just keep them. And when somebody I try dash them, like my mother, them and my mother, I tell her, she say, yo,
You know, me I smile as I say that because, so you realize, I know for the interview is a particular way. You know the teacher and me.
Yeah, man.
I want one big old folder with them in there, sir.
You have to keep them,
one
man.
day.
One day.
One day.
Bro.
One day.
The videos
so
you're doing.
Say that to me,
the videos you're doing,
yeah.
yes, they...
Forget about the video,
Yeah,
man.
hold on, no, but even the video, right?
Yeah.
The videos that you're doing, yes, they are now, but they're also one day.
True.
Somebody one day is going to say, yo.
Yeah, the youth then can brush them off and
Yeah,
fix
man.
things with them down the road, man.
Yeah,
You know
man.
what thing, man.
And that's why we have to big
so
up.
we make sure so we archive them properly.
Right, and that's why I have to big up Anthony Miller, big up On Stage, because them man you have decades
True. So
of
true.
things
so true, bro.
that matter.
Historical importance,
Yeah,
man. It's of historical. So the book was published 2025.
Yes,
correct.
last year. Yeah, man, last year.
Cool. As I said, so I know it's on Amazon.
It's almost sold out. I'm going to do another issue.
Okay,
second issue, but if you want to get the first issue, guys, yeah, man.
And for me, for what I do, something like that is always important to me. You understand what I say? Because I was looking through some of the stuff, and so much information can be gleaned from just these flyers, bro.
Yeah, man, I agree.
You understand what I say? So, great thought process, brother, and to
man.
action it.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself, man.
Yeah, man.
For the culture, brother, man.
Yeah, man. And, you know, there was a moment when I was like, what am I going to do as a selector? And everybody turned selector now and Bugger.
Right.
And I started to realize, I just need to do the things that other people can't do.
Right.
And one of the things was a book. And the next thing now after this book is going to be an art installation at Art Basel.
Oh.
Called The Art of Dancehall.
Oh.
So we're going to build out a thing and create a thing.
Nice.
That's just something that most selectors cannot do. So at this point in my life now, I've done a lot with Major Lazer. I've done a lot with Black Chiney and all the sound systems that I played. And I want to continue to highlight the culture in ways that I realize most selectors just can't.
True.
And hopefully they support me and say, yo, big up Walshy, because I do this for we too.
Yeah, man.
Again, my thing is not just for me. It's not
Right.
a Walshy fire. It's a dancehall thing. I'm not even in it at all.
Right.
But it's a highlight the people, the greats. You know? And as a youth where when I sell cassette, my favorite song them, you know. Silverhawk was my favorite song.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man. Richie Poo, honestly, anywhere Richie Poo go was my favorite song.
Cool.
Because Richie Poo was the selector of me just rate. Captain Midnight. Boy, Super Saint, to this day, one of my favorite songs. But really, it's Captain Midnight.
I'm going to ask some question about that. And we're going to talk about Captain Midnight.
Like me say already, LP International. Favorite foreign song.
Cool.
Favorite song. All of Canada, USA, LP are my favorite song. Right? And me just always love to hear song them when me like Inner City Bad song. Roadstar.
Yeah.
That era there though was really one of my favorite era of sound system, that late 80s.
So you have whole heap of them cassette there?
Whole heap of them cassette there, man.
I need to start duplicate a few of
Yeah,
them.
man. Yeah, I have some things probably when they're up on line where you just need to sit down and duplicate them.
Right. Right, you can put them on the channel. Yeah, brother, I'm going to listen to them, man. I answer what.
Yeah, man. I'm sure I have some that's not
definitely. Aside from the book, and congratulations on the book, brother. I'll definitely go and add it to my collection. There's a PBS feature.
Man, crazy.
Consumed by music.
What a crazy moment, bro.
Nice, bro.
Yeah,
I sit down and watch it and I say, then, watch it for your star. And that, bro,
just give thanks.
bro, I say I'm watch it. Then I say, then I know watch it for your star, but then watch it for your star for true world.
It's called American Masters. And it's like a group of people that are all insanely great. And I cannot believe I got picked for that.
Bro.
I cannot believe that they did a whole documentary on me on PBS.
Brother, congratulations, man.
Yeah, man. You're in like a group of people who say, them on my side, that man there, and that man there as American Masters, you know.
And one of the things, when I watched it, because I have some ideas in my head, Walshy, for kind of up the thing, because you know, everything have a cycle and a time you have to add things on. And the way it was produced, I said then, no one nice to script this, man. One nice to format this way. You understand?
It was
I love it, man.
It was a lot, though. Don't think it was easy, bro.
I love it, bro.
Yeah, man. Them did have a whole team.
Can you imagine?
Them did have a whole team, PBS. But also big up to the people that suggested me for it and pitched me for it and lobbied. Bro, I want to tell you, man, I'm so glad. Anybody out there, if you haven't seen it, man, just go up on my page or go up on PBS,
Right.
or just type in PBS Walshy Fire. And, you know, public broadcast system, it's a big deal in America
Right.
for those that might not be
I think
familiar.
they can search Consumed by Music, Walshy Fire as well, or pull up Walshy Fire.
It's a great documentary on me.
Lovely, bro. Lovely, man.
My mom is in it.
Bro, lovely, man. I tell them I watch it, and I say, then me like this. Yeah, that's what I say?
Yeah, man, it's a good style. You should do it for sure.
Definitely, brother. I love how they went about it. And back again now to your musical roots. You're selling tapes and also being a dub box selector. You open a vinyl record bar.
Yes.
Mad
Called Dante's
move,
Hi-Fi.
Dante's.
Yeah, man. If you guys are ever in Miami, you go to Wynwood, and there's a place called Dante's Hi-Fi. You have to Google it, though, because it's not on the main street. It's in the corner. You're not going to see it. No sign, no outside.
Yes.
Yeah, man. But it's an all-vinyl bar, strictly vinyl.
Nice one.
I'd like to do something like that here in Jamaica.
That would be nice.
Yeah, man. So look out for something.
That would be nice. Because all the people still really love that part of the music there. You understand what I'm saying? How many locations you have?
Only one.
Only one?
Only one, yeah, man. Only one.
Any
One
desires to franchise?
Yeah, for sure. Sorry, I'm bugging. We have a pop-up for the summer in Ibiza right now. Yo, let me tell you, bro, it'll go on good. So I look for you to do some more work. But right now you have Dante's Hi-Fi in Ibiza. You do.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Nice, bro, man. Nice initiative that again, brother. You have also, based on research, doing some investing in agriculture.
I have a farm.
Where is it located?
In West Fort Lauderdale.
Oh, in the
yeah, man.
United
No,
States.
I would like to do something here too. But yeah, U.S. It's in all the way west of the Everglades, 3 acres.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man. And I'm building a house on it now. And after I build a house, I start get things, you know.
Oh, okay.
Right now we just have mango, banana, and some other things. But when I finish building a house, I'll put
add more stuff.
add more things and get animals, goats, and all kind of things.
Congratulations, I can buy that, bro.
Yeah, bro. My investments have all, I think, made sense.
I mean, tell us a portfolio,
Yeah,
large,
man.
buy,
Yeah,
bro.
I'm not buying no chain yet.
You know what?
I'm not buying no vehicle yet.
Yeah.
I don't have no Chris car. I mean, I no diamond, nothing.
But it's funny you say that. I know you're in vehicle. I mean, know you collect vehicles. No?
Yeah, man. I have an old BMW.
Yeah.
1974, 2002, the Bob Marley and the Wheeler wagon.
Okay, cool.
Badman wagon. I do like old school cars though, but I do use them as investments. So people rent them.
Oh.
Yeah, man. So I still have a little hustle
But
going.
you're a real hustler,
Yeah, so
brother.
like a music video wanted.
Yeah,
sometimes
that
weddings.
makes sense. That makes sense.
Yeah, man. So I have a couple vehicles. Yeah, man. Big up to my cousin Lee. Me and him in other business.
Nice,
together.
my
We have
bro,
some old
man.
Ford truck. We have some old VW vans. We have some old VW. Whole heap of vehicle we have, man. We have a 6-car garage with a lot of vehicles.
You also have two personal events, Detour and Shrine of
Yeah,
Music.
man.
I think
I have
Detour
3.
is 3.
I have rum and bass every Tuesday.
Roman Bass. Oh.
In Miami.
Okay.
Every Tuesday, dance hall in
Rum and
Miami.
bass.
11 years.
11 years.
Go on, it'll go on.
But if I 11 years, if you have
Yeah,
one,
man, it'll go
one
on,
drink,
man. And then every Saturday we have the Shrine, which
and
is
that's
Afrobeats.
And
In
Detour
Overtown.
is
And then Detour Soca. Yeah, man. And twice a year we do it.
Twice a year.
That's a big one, 2,000 people. Yeah.
Nice, my bro,
Yeah,
man.
And that's it. I do intend on doing some live events, like live artists.
Right.
But for right now, that's it.
Yeah, and so, you know, I'm doing the research and talking to you, bro. As me I say, you are an inspiration on many levels. You understand? Because you have action, a couple things when I'm in mind, and me I try to figure out how you find the time. Because I was looking at I think it was your website, or it was Major Lazer's website, and I'm looking at the booking dates.
It's incredible.
And I'm looking at all the other things in your portfolio, business and otherwise.
It's incredible.
And you are doing 48 hours work in 24 hours
Yeah, man.
each day.
I do like maybe 10 shows a week sometimes. And then, you know, the traveling and all of that stuff, it gets... That's the worst part.
You're an inspiration, my brother. I tell you that straight up, brother.
Yeah, man. Thank you, man. And then, of course, you know, I have all these businesses.
Yeah.
I have to check in. I have to make sure. But I will say, team.
And then,
Team.
I did to all what you are doing and what you have done and what you have achieved, brother. There's this certain level of humility that is so refreshing, my bro, man. Man, I laugh, brother. Bro.
Oh, when you say refreshing, you know, we know what you're talking.
Definitely,
we know what
man.
you're saying. You know, and the people
Definitely,
that
brother.
probably know
Them
what you're
know,
saying.
man. It's
We never say
refreshing,
it.
bro, man.
But hear the judgment. Me's a ghetto youth still, first and foremost. I never really left it. And because I'm so connected, I'm always checking, I'm always do what I can do. I realize, say, yo, the money we may have, you know, and the money we may make, you know, and the money and the opportunities that I have, they're much better shared than me just take it for myself. So I would much before me buy something for myself, buy something for somebody else. But those people are qualified. Me not just buy things for dunce people.
Yeah,
brother. Make sure so them man know what they want to do with the thing.
It,
you know? And hopefully they can turn that into a thing. Why? Because people did that for me.
Awesome.
I'm going to name them another thing. And there's people I haven't named that have done things for me and wanted to see me great.
Yeah.
And so if I ever were to buy a chain, bro, I'd feel stupid. If I ever walk around with a big diamond chain, me, when I said don't do it, if you want to do it. But
Every
me,
man choose their own thing.
I wouldn't feel right. Because then I would be walking past somebody where me say, yo, this chain could have changed my life, you know.
Yeah, bro. As like when me deep the thing, you know, bro. As I me analyze it, I say, nah, man. So, brother, you're an inspiration, bro.
Thank you, man.
A quiet inspiration to kind of load up your thing. I mean, like that too.
People call me all the time for help. They call me for advice. And I'm always like, man, I have so much information and so much knowledge for everybody, but it's only who knows. It's like I'm an oracle at the top of a mountain.
Yeah.
And most people just don't want to climb. If you go see what up there. So most people are just looking for handouts and they're looking for easy road, you know. On the rugged road now, you're going to get people like myself. And when I'm up there, I'm also looking for people above me because that information and knowledge and
Definitely.
and sponsorship and link, it helps everyone else that's trying to come up.
So true.
You know, I'll give you an example. Like when we were doing, me and Jay Will did do a clash with Guinness. It was called Guinness Sounds of Greatness. Me and Jay Will produced the one at Mona. And it was probably the most viewed one, probably the most well-produced one as well. And here it is, an opportunity for me to properly pay all of the sound man them when we read.
Nice, right? That must be a nice feel, yeah?
Bro, it made me feel great.
Yeah, man, I can imagine.
It made me feel great for no say, yo, me can put real money in them man. And them can say, boy, you know what, she never need to do this. What she did, him could have keep a, him could have take the sponsorship money from Guinness and do a dance
Do it right.
and make a whole heap of money. But to know that these guys still contact me and still say, Walshy, big up yourself, it's because they know I have access to funding and that I'm not going to squander it. I'm not going to keep it. I'm not going to share it.
Right.
You know? And that's one thing, man, is anybody that ever call me for help, usually I help them.
Yeah,
And you have some people who see me, bro, you have some people who see me every day, you know, talk to me every day. But them pride.
Them not ask.
Them pride. And no matter how much you nudge them and say, yo, you're doing something great. But I'm not going to force my help on you.
Right.
It has to be reciprocal. You really need to say, yo, I need your help. Or, yo, is there an opportunity? I don't know if you remember, but I was doing Quarantine Clash.
Yeah, man, I remember
during the pandemic. There were some sounds that didn't want to be on it at all. And that's fine. And that's usually, and a lot of those sounds were, me not go online to play no music.
No, them, I know
Yeah.
the retort
The
there.
murmur there.
Yeah, because as we say with the don't play showcase thing.
Right.
Yeah,
you get that murmur there.
Yeah.
So you have a bag of sound who say, no, I'm not go online and play. It's expensive, them. And after a while, of course, you see them online juggling after a while. But I loved that response. Because to me, it's all about authenticity. And if that is authentically you, bro, and if you genuinely, we need you to be you. We don't need you for change.
Right.
So if you say, this and this and this are foolishness, yo, I'm with it. Because we need somebody to stand over there so and say, yo, a foolishness.
You have to have balance to
You
the
have to have balance.
conversation, man.
You can't just, you have to have somebody that say, yo, I'm not sure about this.
Yeah.
And I love it. So that's why, like, when people get to know me, all the people I'm like, that saw the Guinness Clash. Because when the Guinness Clash come out, you know, Sound Clash fans, a lot of them hated it. Not even fans, a lot of the sound man them hated it. Why? Because we were on some level to a newer audience introducing things like, who can play the best 5 Gregory?
Right.
And you have some sound man and say, yo, we don't want you to tell me how to play. And you're like, no problem. I love that you actually think like that. We need you. Hold that. Don't make nobody change where you say, yo, hold that. Also, may I do my thing, but we actually need it. If you,
yeah, everybody cannot
lose
do
it.
the same thing.
Yeah, man, we need that balance there.
As a selector now, a couple of questions for you. You kind of answered some already still. What's your favorite juggling song of all time? You then pay money for God dance, go, hear that song and string up and play.
You know, say, I used to hate juggling.
Oh, yeah?
I used to hate it. Even when me are juggling, I say, yo, if you say something spicy, make this a little more dangerous, which I think was a part of what a lot of selectors were doing at the time. And that's why you always end up saying, yo, 2 songs, I string up.
Right.
And I know everybody says Weepo, our father
Stone Love.
I know everybody does. But you have to say, Jaja. Billy Slaughter was my favorite selector on Stone Love. And my favorite vice and vibes for your juggle. When Slaughter, I play a Stone Love, bro. To me, it was magic.
For true word.
Magic.
So true.
You say, yo, this is what sound's supposed to sound like.
So true.
You know? And, you know, I always think to myself, like, bro, should I buy a sound? Because you interview so many sounds.
Right.
And you realize the reason why these sounds stopped playing, let me not say many reasons, but because sometimes the sound owner die, and that's just it.
And no succession.
And nobody know there to know the business.
Always say that.
Right? Which is a side topic, you know. We need to really talk about
I've
this.
spoken about that.
What's going to
times,
happen?
man.
Well, I mean, I don't want to say name. But what's going to happen to the sounds when these sound owners that we know so intrinsically a part of those sounds, when they do pass on?
Right.
Who's going to actually successfully do what them minded to do? Or are we going to see a new change of guard?
Well,
which is what happened. Think
hopefully.
about what we're talking about. The 80s had a bag of sounds
True.
that just never transitioned into the 90s.
True.
Taurus, Excalibur, Roadstar. Yo, the list goes
True.
endless. Well, all of a sudden, 89, 90, and them just stop. Gilbert mash up enough of them. Enough of them sound and dub box get mashed up with Gilbert. That's what happened to Super Sync.
True.
You know? Money stopped running because, you know, them time they had different energy are going.
Right, true.
The business was a different one. And most of the man them where I run sound, them usually have something.
Right, true.
So them go jail or them get killed or them just
What
die
about
from
the-
old age. Dub cutting
expensive.
got expensive
Very
and dear and yeah
expensive,
man after.
man.
So then you have a next set of sound them where some of the sound them from the 80s carry over, but a whole heap of new sound pick up. And then you end up in the 90s, late 90s and then 2000 and next turnover with a next bag of sound. And what's the future of sound system? What's the future of Clash?
Well, clashing is the next story, but a whole heap of sound, new sound in the country, you know.
Whole heap of new
Whole
sound.
heap of
I
new
see them
sound.
on YouTube. And
Ah,
I was I say,
but-
bro, I see one sound. Listen to one Clash this morning. The Clash was a song named Straight something.
Oh, man, sure. Whatever.
Saint Best sound. You know Saint Best
So,
sound?
yeah, a million sound.
Million
Them have
sound.
more sound.
And the amount of tune them have, you know. I mean, I say, yo, 2 songs me never hear. I mean, I say, yo. But what do these sounds have that's going to take them out of Saint Best
And bring them
and
to
make
the
them
world.
global? Right? And that's the kind of thing that you always see like Chiney ask and, you know, all of the guys that really
Right.
invested in sound system culture. And you realize it really is a formula. And if you don't have the formula, it just not gonna happen.
Yeah.
If you have a wicked MC but you don't have the dubs.
Right.
You just the MC go bust.
And the sound
He'll
now
go solo, but the
right.
sound now go bust.
True.
So it's a formula of things, and the sound owner is a big part of it. And you know, like I said before, Courtney Singer, one of the greatest, you know, and so many other greats like him. Right? That's why they're still around. That's why they're still, you
Definitely.
know. But what happens when Courtney Singh said, you know, something finish?
Yeah, it's a next conversation for another time still.
But I will say,
about so many things about that.
my favorites will always be Silverhawk with Richie Poo. Like I said before, to me, is the select of them.
Right.
Captain Midnight, Richie Poo. Me did always rate Stereo Belly.
Sarah Belly.
Yeah, man. Lee's Unlimited.
Please.
But to me, Billy Slaughter is the ultimate. And sorry, what I wanted to say was, I watched these teach them mixes, and I realized a lot of them, they don't have the sound on anymore. They don't have anybody who can fund the sound.
Right.
And that's where it stopped, right?
True.
And I always say to myself, yo, Walshy, I wonder if you could have fund one of these songs, buy one of these songs, and figure out the system to make it make money. Because them have a dub box where people rate,
Yes, sir.
and them have a brand that people rate,
Definitely.
and them just need somebody to just take it over and get
A new lease on life.
a hard work, because it's not go easy.
Yeah, it can't easy.
That's the reason why enough of them nobody no pick them up. But I do have one particular sound, I'm not going to say here, I'll tell you off camera, that I watch, and every time I watch them, I say, I would love to actually buy this sound, because I think the branding, I think it has the possibilities
Yeah.
to be a great sound for the next 50 years.
Bye.
Zine. So I love all of them songs.
Yeah.
I'm purposely not say the sound on
Yeah, man, definitely.
because
But
I don't
we
want
talk
people
about
to put
it.
one on one together.
Favorite rhythm?
Answer, by far.
Yeah.
Answer rhythm are the greatest rhythm.
Right,
ever.
so that are your greatest rhythm. So that are your favorite rhythm. But is it your favorite rhythm to cut dub plates on?
Yes, 100%.
Oh, you love it then.
That's why Black Cat was one of my favorite songs.
Okay.
Everything for Answer rhythm. Yeah, man. Greatest rhythm.
Who are your favorite artists to cut and dub?
Capleton was always the energy, man. Capleton was always, yo, you get your
Yeah, I
voice
get the
Capleton,
energy.
and you feel like you're left with, you feel like him give you money.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, man. You feel like you give him $1,000 and him give you back 12. The energy and the vibe and the, yo, I just love that energy.
Love
man.
that
Yeah,
energy.
man.
And that question I know, as you would have heard many sounds in your life, what is the sweetest playing sound system you ever hear string up?
Yeah, man. So, I have to go into the new sound them, as in like the 90s. Because that's when I start really. Me and Jason Walker, when we're there yard, you know, we drive, go country, go clash, you know.
Okay.
And one night we drive, go a country, we go porous. Remember, we would drive, go to clash and come back in, you know. Now I think that's crazy. But when you're young, you know,
Right.
and you say, yo, anyone else could have dropped asleep at the wheel or
True,
anything
true.
could have gone. We'd drive, go to dance till 4 a.m. and drive, come back in a town, you know. Big up Jason Skywalker. We'll go there and we'll see Exodus versus Kilimanjaro, 4x4.
4x4.
New money.
New money, man.
The two of them. The two sound
New
them.
money.
New money, bro. And you watch the sound them and you look and you see the wow.
The column them.
Column them and you see
Amsterdam.
wow. The ambience say wow. So I want to say the sound them sound good enough, but it was more the wow. But that clash them, man. What a piece of clash in a porous tonight, the man. Exodus 4x4. I hope it was porous, but yeah. Exodus 4x4 and Kilimanjaro, but the two sound them was money sound. Money I spent on the sound system. And you just watch the sound and you're like, yo, this sound crazy. I've never seen another sound like this. Yeah, man. So them two sound there. That night, them I couldn't pick a winner because I said the two sound them are sweet, bad. I mean, I was a Stone Up, one of the nicest songs.
Yeah. In general, though, I know it's not a hard man to find on the social, but you still the production work.
Yeah, man. Still at the music.
Still at the
I have
music.
an album called Art of Dancehall. I hope can come out near December. I also did Coco T's last album. And I'm hoping that we can drop it ASAP. We're working on the album art right now. It's called Lighthouse.
Lighthouse.
Yeah, man. So I did a full album with him before he passed. And I'm hoping that we can drop it soon. And, you know,
One of the great men where
yeah,
never
man.
get the opportunity
And remember
to
now,
sit with it.
I'm going to start work with Coffee. I'm going to start
Yeah,
link up with Coco T, coming out with
that
Coco
makes
T's
sense.
album.
That makes sense.
Bro, I have videos of the two of them together, and one of my biggest regrets is that they never did a song together. They did dub plates together.
Right.
You know, but that's one of my biggest regrets is that they've never actually did a song together. Because the way they were locked in, man, it was a moment.
How the socials them go, and for people out there who, you know, young artists or artists who want to do work with you and stuff, how them
No,
find
I don't want the young artists them link me.
You don't want the young
I
artists
don't want the young artists them link me. Don't link me. I don't think I'm able to facilitate helping
a young
artist get to a certain level.
Fair enough, sir.
I think when you reach a certain level, link me.
Walshy said, link me.
Yeah, man, link me. When you reach a certain level,
what level they do, Walshy? Then we don't know.
You'll know.
You'll know, all right.
You'll know. Because we'll start being in the same places.
Oh, okay, cool.
You see this thing? Social media,
Yeah.
it make people feel like you're my friend, you know.
Yeah.
Or they feel like they make a real link with you.
True. I true, yeah, that one.
If you're not linking me in person, we didn't make a real link.
When I link.
So,
you know.
see me in person and then have the conversation.
Oh, okay.
Because then that means we're in the same sphere of you're outside like me outside.
Right.
You have some people never left them yard and I DM you, help me. And it's like, well, you know, being outside and promoting your music is a major part of your career. I can't figure that out for you. But the only reason I'm going to say that is I'm going to do this too much time.
I understand, man.
And too much time, people have let me down. Been disappointed by some of the greatest artists. Some of the greatest artists have been disappointed. Yeah, man, I've been disappointed. Yeah, man. Some of them have gone on to be global hit makers,
when we say that, though.
you know, and I'm disappointed.
Yeah.
You know? So again, when you see me, link me. Don't DM me. Don't message me. But my socials are at Walshy Fire on everything, and I'm always out. Like tonight, we probably go where on. Yeah, man. I'm always outside. Easy for find.
So I'm
the easiest guy to find.
The last question I have for you: which one of the catalog you exercise on the showcase?
Yeah, man. It'd be cool. It'd be cool to do.
Like public, you know.
Yeah, it'd be cool to do a Black Chiney one.
I would love that.
Yeah, man. Major isn't really under the
I know that, man. I know that.
But it'd be cool. It'd be cool. But I definitely would like for Bobby Chin to be there.
Yeah, because he was planning to do something for me, you know, and stuff. But now that they say it, the tone with that be a nice vibe. So we're not rush it.
No, we're not rush it.
Whenever the time is right, we'll make it happen.
Yeah, man.
Great, man.
Respect, teacher.
Bro, I said this already, I say it again. The man is an inspiration to the ISA.
Man, I appreciate it.
You understand? And one of the next thing is that I don't know that the masses are yet in a space where they are appreciative of what you have done and is doing, brother, for the music, with the music and to the music.
And that's
greatness,
okay.
brother.
And that's okay.
Greatness,
I
bro.
promise you, man. I feel like one day, and I'm not working for that day. I just do my thing.
Right.
But I feel like one day it'll just be somebody will say, say, Walshy, we have, because you know how much time somebody said, so Walshy, Jamaica tourism no link you on, the government no link you because you wave the banner worldwide. I'm like, I don't think they know who I am. I don't think they know who I am at all. And I do believe it would be in their interest to say,
I would have think so too, brother.
Yo, Courtney Walsh, little brother, I go on good round the world right now. So. So we need to go set up a little thing on, because I could help facilitate with tourism on a level that I don't think anybody else
Let me put it this way. I'll say this. And Walshy Fire is bigger than many artists who will say big boat. That's all me have to say, brother. Big up yourself.
Respect, boss.
Them would just eat up themselves, but that's the reality. You understand? The facts are the facts, you know. You understand?
I appreciate it.
Bro, go and do the thing. And we appreciate the man's contribution to the music, brother. You understand? And for somebody who love the thing and we see the thing, we know what greatness is, brother. You know, have a Lord, but
yeah, man, big
we're
up.
proud of it, bro.
Respect, man.
We're proud of it, man. Heart of love, my bro. Give her thanks.
Teach them. Always make sure the message reach them.